Bodega Boys.
Mr. President, I see, I'm from Tushy.com. I have a question. I see for the first time you're wearing a mask. You were anti-mask before.
No, stop right there. I was never anti-mask. As a matter of fact, no, there's not. The video's fake news. It's probably from CNN. Did you get it from Dan Lemon? You probably got it from Dan Lemon. Anyway, I've been wearing a mask since the first coronavirus case in the United States. I've been telling people to mask up.
What month was that, Mr.?
It was last Thanksgiving. Listen, when Mask Off came out, I did a remix called Mask Off, and I put my mask on. And then I told America, you're really gonna have the biggest, best masks you've ever seen. I wore a mask like a man who knows how to wear a mask. And people that wear masks, and believe me, I know a lot of people that wear masks. I'm one of the top 5 mask wearers in this country. Thank you.
Mr. President, another question.
Yes.
You are recently, Goya products has been abandoned by the Latino and Hispanic community after the owner said you were a good person. Are you a fan of Goya? Do you use Goya products personally? What is your favorite spice? And how would you make your own adobo? Thank you.
First of all, I didn't use spices. That's first off. Second off, si muy bueno es Goya. And I love Latinos, but you know what? It's sad to say, but I have to say it because, I tell the truth. This is not the first time a Latino has been abandoned, if you know what I'm saying. They like to have secret families and things of that nature. Not like me. I'm a standard guy. I take care of all my families, all of them. And then none of them is secret because TMZ. Out of here, these streets. Anyway, final question. I'm taking one more question and then I'm out of here because I have campaigning to do.
Mr. President, I have a quick question right
now. Yes, you in the back. Yes.
How do you feel about the most dangerous podcast in the world, the Bodega Boys, continuing to be prolific and just crushing the game right now? And there's rumors that they might be nominated for an Emmy. How will you're supposed to be the law and order president, how will you stop this?
Well, let me tell you something. I just partnered Roger Stone to make room for those two bozos to be Sellys. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm going to sign an executive order banning all spicy podcasts so that they will go to jail where they deserve to be. They deserve to rot in prison. I'll take that. Just like I did with the NFL. I'll say, get that son of a bitch off the field and put him in jail. And as for that little, what'd you say it's called? A cast pod?
It's called a podcast. They call it the art.
Trust me, that's not art. And I know a lot of art. I'm a very smart guy. I know a lot of art. But what I will say is I have golfing to do, so I'm going to go now. All right? This is episode 210 of whatever this guy is talking about, podcast thing, whatever, Bodega Boy thing there. Is that what it is? Okay. So, si es Goya, tiene mucho bueno, and do the drop. Listen, I've been wearing a mask. Everybody wear a mask. Thank you. And I'm going to go have to snip some out of it, allegedly. Do the drop.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Do the drop.
Episode 2010.
Damn, I just say hell Massio too for that fucking intro. You're welcome.
Yo, most dangerous podcast. Mero did that whole intro with his hand over his mouth. I'm like, we probably could have added that in After Effects. Don't pass out, my guy. like we got audio filter money now, bro. The days of illegally downloading Node software hacks is done. Right?
No more.
We ain't shoplifting at Sam Goody anymore.
I need the Timberland drum kit.
Oh man, right? I need you to
relax.
Yo, as always, we are back. It's the most benevolent boys, the most wonderful boys, the Bible boys, the
you know what I'm saying?
The Bullion Cube boys, the Bayou boys, the beautiful boys. We're back. Another episode for y'all of that good uncut, straight crunk shit to get you through your pandemic. You know what I'm saying?
That's right. You know what I'm saying? You need it. You want it. Here it is. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy it.
You know, NBA's coming back, baseball's coming back, but it's not coming back the way you want it to be. It's gonna be weird. It's gonna be like it's gonna be like a relationship where like you guys broke up and now you guys have like been with other people and now you get back together.
And you're like, nah.
Yeah, it ain't
like the first time you smashed, you're like, yo, damn, remember?
Oh wow, she never did this before.
And then you're like, oh,
wow,
wait a minute,
whoa, you want me to do what?
So you
pull your hair where? Wow.
Oh, okay.
You learn things.
Oh, you do that now.
Then you get afterwards, after you nut, you go into the kitchen and you cry.
Yeah.
Listen to Drake's Marvin's Room or some shit.
Like, yo, like, fuck
it ain't
nigga that's taught you how to eat ass.
There you go.
You're like, yo, remember when you just had your knees up half an hour ago? Like, yo, whoa. Do the skills, do the anime shit. Like,
You gotta go through her phone, find his name, and send him the, hey, yo, good looking, son.
Yo, good looking now.
Yo, thank you for teaching my queen how to eat the gooch. Yo. But see, now you're all mature. So like when now he gets married, and she gets invited to the wedding, and y'all are all there, and now you're all connected. Y'all gooch eating brothers. So,
Gooch pals.
Gooch pen pals.
Yo, there's bad nerve endings. Yo, listen, okay, Shannon, there's bad nerve endings in the tape.
Have we? I want to say
never kink shamed.
You know, we probably have, but not as kink shame, just on a different angle. Just probably like that's weird. Not weird, but like
it's different. So
or maybe
it's new. Like, hey.
Or maybe it was like someone we didn't like doing something. That's when it's acceptable.
Yeah.
Right? It's like how, it's just like how people say you shouldn't, like fat shaming is bad. But let Chris Christie do something.
Oh,
that's the first thing people go to.
We're going in.
Come on. You know, it's not, listen. To quote the illustrious WKTU, it's not right,
but it's okay.
No, actually, it's not okay. So, damn. I don't know where we was going with that, but
we're going to make it anyway.
There you go.
Doom, 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 doom. You're like, excuse me, I have a 11 o'clock appointment with the doctor. Like, what? Dun, 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 dun. This is my favorite part of the song.
Yes.
Tell it to my heart. Tell me I'm the only one.
Oh my God, Sheila, turn that up. I love that.
I know, right? Oh my God.
Oh
my God. I remember the first time I fucked Robin as Camaro. This was playing. Oh my God.
So good. Oh my God. It's 12 o'clock. Call in.
Oh my God, we can win $500 right now.
You know the phrase that pays.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
You know what song? Do you remember the last 3 songs that they played?
Oh my God, yes I do. I remember. Okay. The Come Baby, Come.
Yes.
Come.
Okay, that's one. Okay.
Okay, the second song, it was
the Deborah Cox one. Fuck.
Cox, it's not right.
Yes.
Cox, it was like,
okay,
how did you get here? Nobody's supposed to be here.
Nobody's supposed to be here.
Yes. The Hex Heather version. Oh my God.
Yes. Oh my God. So amazing.
Oh my God. I used to get finger popped on the LIRR to that.
Anyway, I gotta get my molar removed, ladies.
Motherfucker, do you see us talking? Do you see us talking? Because I know I'm talking, and I see you talking, and right now you're talking, so 3 people can't talk at once, motherfucker, all right? Trump 2020, motherfucker.
Oh, wow.
That's how you end the conversation. Trump 2020,
motherfucker. Peace. Chuck a deuce. Trying to do a peace sign, like, yo, there's nothing peaceful about that.
How do you warfully throw up a peace sign? How do you throw up a peace sign as a sign of aggression?
Aggressively throw up, yo, I want you to be really happy.
Just a
if you don't, I'm gonna be real mad.
That's a felony use of a peace sign, but she's Blue Lives Matter, so.
Yo,
you know she got the wild
too.
She probably got like the thin blue line tramp stamp.
Oh yeah, you already know. She got some wild down the spine tat, like some.
She probably got like that the
Celtic cross over the shoulder. Oh yeah,
that.
Damn, she saw barbed wire with Pam Anderson and got the same tat and shit. Like, yo, this is my shit.
Oh,
go Google that. Trump 2020, motherfucker.
That sounds like something you yell after you shoot somebody. Like,
yo, for real. Like, yo, what? Like, yo, shorty. Why did you say that?
like, are we back on message boards? Is this your signature? Is this how you end on every post?
That's what you're signing everybody's G book with?
Wow.
Yo, get out of here, bro. Just to motherfucker.
Yo, what's going on in Jersey? Are they saying the kids got to go back to school or?
Well, my oldest is in a private school, so they have like extended school year, which like, yo, thank God. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, when was the school year supposed to end?
It ends in late May, and like they could start up early in August, but since shit is super, I think they're starting earlier. I don't know, but I know the bus is coming here, and I'm like, yo, peace, little nigga.
Tell me, motherfucker.
I said shit to the bus driver and shit. Like, I'm in my bathrobe and shit with no clothes, my dick out.
You're like, all right, have a good day at school. I love you.
Trump 2020, motherfucker. Get out of here. Beat it.
They're like, is your father a Trump supporter? They're like, no, he just really likes that phrase. Like, that's the phrase that pays. Hey, welcome to Z100. Do you know the phrase that pays?
Yeah, I called. I have the last 3 songs there. It's Deborah Cox and the other 2 songs, and the phrase base is Trump 2020, motherfucker.
Oh my God, you went to
Did I win?
You went to go see Elvis Costello at Radio City Music Hall in Jingle Balls. Oh my God.
Regina, did you hear that?
Oh my God.
We're going.
We gotta get leather jackets.
Oh my God. It's gonna be so much fun. Are we gonna get laid?
Fancy. We'll find some cock.
Oh my God, some young cock.
Some young cock. Yo, we can go to that. We can. You know the halal guys. They have the food truck over by Radio City Music Hall. You ever had some kebab meat? And I'm not talking about the sandwich.
Oh my God. Oh, don't get me excited.
Listen. I want him to beat my shit up like Wayne Gretzky because you know.
Wayne Gretzky I may be mixing up my hockey stats because I know nothing about hockey. But you're big on the Rangers games. Did Wayne Gretzky ever fight? I feel like Wayne Gretzky never had a hockey fight.
Let me look that up because I do not know that off the top of my head. You know what? Okay.
He's like the GOAT of hockey, but he never got a fight. I thought fighting was a part of hockey.
I just experienced racism because I was using Google. I typed in Wayne Gretzky and it gave me Wanye Morris.
Wow. It's like Google's like, there's no way he's looking up hockey, guys.
They were like, hey, you stay on your side of the internet, my guy.
Hey, buddy. Hey. Whoa.
You don't look that familiar.
Hey.
Because I know. Hey, whoa. You roll that window down because we know everyone that lives on this block, and you know what? You're not one of those.
You're not one of those guys. So right? This is Rangers Town over here, buddy.
What do you?
I don't know.
You delivering Ubers? Yeah, Gretzky had fights.
Oh, okay.
He only had 1 fight without gloves. I don't know what that means.
Wow. Okay.
He had 2 fights.
So, shit.
He only had 2 fights in his whole career.
No? Oh shit.
That's cool, but I know a certain Nick that didn't ever have any fights.
That's right.
You know
Clyde Frazier.
Okay.
That's
Only
right.
he ever fought with fashion trends.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Because he's a trendsetter. You know what I'm saying?
Trendsetter.
Who else coming out in the 3-piece cowl suit? You know what I'm saying?
You know, your man came out with a Jesus. He's some of the stuff he got cow suits, he got like hippo leather, he got with like the monkey vest.
That motherfucker, that nigga's outfits make that nigga's outfits make Andre 3000 look reasonable.
Exactly. They were like, tonight, what kind of suit are you wearing? He was like, well, indubitably you can see this jacket is made of nothing but European foreskins. That's right. Individually stitched together with the matching cowboy boots also made of foreskins.
Wow, Clyde, that must have been a lot of foreskins there.
It was.
You're not a small guy.
Oh, these foreskins are from the 70s, back when you could get quality foreskins. Now, nowadays, the foreskins you get, they're cheap and synthetic. These are, go ahead, you could look. Let me bite down on it.
Whoa. All right, okay. Mike Breen here and Clyde are going to be calling the game tonight, and the Knicks going to lose by 48.
Let's go.
Get ready, guys. Let's go.
Friday night Knicks, I ain't got to bet there.
About to lose by 30. What's the fucking spread?
My dumb ass goes on Twitter like, hey guys, guys, who's ready for the Knicks game? It's just like everyone starts throwing tomatoes and
like,
rocks.
boom, fuck out of
Who
here.
watches Knicks games? Like even verified accounts of people who normally don't say anything are dunking on the Knicks. The Pope's account is like, even God hates the Knicks. You're like, what?
Fuck you.
What?
Yo, fam. There was, you know, one of those stupid, like, fucking gotcha ass memes where it's just like mad serious in the beginning and then it's just a dumbass joke? They got me this morning, dog. It was just like, and it was mad sad. It was just like, there was a kid who was being abused by his parents and shit. And he didn't, like, they were fighting over custody of him. And it was just like, I don't want to go with either of them because they both beat me. And then it was just like, the aunt can get custody because she's like the closest next to kin. And he's like, unfortunately, I don't want to be with my aunt either. You know what I mean? Because she beats me. And then the judge had to take matters into his own hands and declare the child a ward of the Knicks because they can't beat anything. And I was just like, you motherfucker. I was like, you fucking...
Wow.
I was getting my cash app out to donate to a charity and shit. And I was like, you motherfuckers. I was like, you bastards. Why? I was like, they're not even playing. They're not even playing.
Nah, what do you get from dunking on the Knicks in the middle of a
Stop.
The Knicks might be the only people more hated by New Yorkers than De Blasio. Because like
come on.
Even Knicks fans are begrudging. Like I have a Knicks shirt right now as we're recording this. This is not like I was like I want to show Mero I'm repping the Knicks. I was like, let me find a clean shirt.
Yeah, like all my Knicks gear is just like I wear it at the house. Like I'm making like pancakes in my Knicks hoodie. Like you know what I'm saying? Like I'm not wearing this shit to the garden.
Yeah, it's not like I throw it on like let's fucking go. Like I learned it took me a long time to learn this. Most times I do not wear Knicks colors to Knicks games because it feels good going there. But then you gotta go home after that. You want to be draped up in orange and blue, like outside waiting for Uber. Get heckled by some tap dancing kids.
You know what I'm saying?
Like a person sleeping on the floor in front of the Port Authority. They're like, I'm down on my luck, but I'm not a Knicks fan.
Or like the Uber driver himself. The Uber driver scoops you up. He's like, they lost by 20, eh? Spread was 19 though, so you did almost.
Almost. Yeah, one day. You try to give him a tip. He's like, I don't feel right.
It doesn't feel right taking it from you, brother. I mean, but I guess we're lucky because the Knicks are not involved in the whole like Corona disaster bubble that they're building in Florida right now. That shit's gonna ruin the NBA, dog. I'm calling it right now. Like I'm calling it right now. Mero Damas. Like it's gonna fuck things up. Next season is not.
You don't even gotta be Mero Dobbs. You just gotta be a rational person. It's just even just gotta think about like the vocabulary that they're using it. They're like the bubble. You know, so you hear bubble, you're like, oh, it's separated from everything.
Oh yeah, it's airtight
down and everything.
Yeah.
No. They just at a Disney resort. Okay, they just at a Disney resort.
That's it, and that's all.
That's it.
And guess what? Motherfuckers got to work there to bring them their little food and all that other shit. So those
people ain't getting tested for COVID. Those people are living their normal Florida existence.
Florida ass lives.
Okay, now imagine you gotta like take care of NBA players, and like you know what I'm saying. You stressed off for that. Maybe you want to go to a bar after.
Right after.
You know what I'm saying? Get some steam off. You know?
They're open in Florida.
Maybe they're like the staff members have to. I think they have to self-report if they do something like that. But that's not really their business.
Yeah, that's why I put the self. You know what I'm saying? It's my choice. You know what I'm saying?
If you smoke weed at home, like if you don't smoke weed at work, why does your job need to know about you smoking weed at work? You know what I'm saying? Like that's not really their business. That was me when I had the reporter job. Because I was like, because they was like, you smoke weed? And I was like, how dare you?
What?
Like, I smoke at home. Like,
what's that?
What is that? Any of your business? And then my man pulled me to the side. Was like, nah, they were asking because you reek of weed right now. And I was like, that's not possible because I smoked outside before I got on the train. Stupid.
Like, duh. Everybody knows the rules. Yeah. The wind blows all. Kind doesn't absorb smoke.
Meanwhile, I'm on the train and I'm like, damn, my beard must be looking great because everybody is looking at me. Wow.
Damn, my shape up is crispy, yo. Everybody's looking at me holding their nose.
Everyone looking at me is such disgust because my drip is sick.
What? Yeah. Did I put on too much cologne? Whoa.
Shout out to everyone that goes to work smelling like weed and don't give a shit.
Yeah.
Like looking at HR like I dare you.
Just
I
say
dare
so.
you.
Say so.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I wish you would.
I already show you don't give a shit about this place.
I'm a dying to spaz on these motherfuckers, man. Come on.
When you get to that point of your job, because there's that part where you first start and you're like, yeah, okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the best one I can. And then, after a while, it's like, you know what, fuck this. And you go hard looking for a new one. And then you get to that point where it's just like, you can't find a new one. And you just kind of just going through it with that shitty one.
You're like, fuck.
You're just going through the motions.
Yeah, I'm here. Hello. Hey, guys.
And you so checked out. You checked out. Your coworkers know you checked out. Your boss knows you checked out, but they can't do shit.
Fam.
And that's usually you in a position where it's just like, it's easier to just keep you there as a shitty employee than it is to find a whole new employee.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
So
1,000,000%. I know for a fact that my principal was like, I'm not gonna find another 6 foot tall guy to do this.
He knows the kids' names.
Yeah.
Nobody
wants to do this.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to do this for 20 G's a year.
The location of the school. Nobody's
gonna
like
come
that.
here. It's gonna take me 8 months to fill this position. But
Exactly. I gotta post it online. We gotta interview people. We gotta do a background check.
You're not trying to do all that.
I remember when I had that reporter job, it was like, you got any felonies? And I was like, shit. And I was like, fuck. I was like, I don't have the full. I was like, you know what? I was like, so I did that thing, and I was like, no, I don't, because I figured if I did, they'd eventually find it. You know what I'm saying? Like, but then later on, I found out they was like, we don't got money to do background checks, like.
That's a slippery slope, because my man, shout out to Alan. He tried to do the same shit at when I was working at Lehman Brothers, R.I.P. Lehman Brothers. Not really.
Rip.
Not really. y'all Wall Street. But he signed up for the job, got the job, had the wild F on his record. And I knew he had a felony because the first day he was working in there, he's like, yo, you ever been to Speed? I was like, the club? And he's like, yeah. I was like, yeah. He's like, yo, I work security there. I was like, oh, you got a felony.
Definitely.
You got a felony.
Listen, Speed security guard. But security guards with felonies are the best security guards. You know what I'm saying?
That's number one. Because they're not catch another one.
What other job, employees are happy to be paid with Hennessy and cash? Okay?
Man.
Just straight. You don't even know their real names. I'll be like, hello.
Bam Bam?
All right. Yo.
All right.
Strong Jaw. All right. Here's your pay for the night. Just,
all right. Which one of y'all is Murder Pete? Murder Pete?
Okay. All right. Who here is knocking nigga out? Okay.
Shit. Oh,
hey. Good day,
nice,
ma'am. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, you're clearly from Brooklyn. Okay.
It's the BK title A shorty. Yo, ISIS killed Biggie.
Yo, she's like, yo, pig houses in this bitch. I was like, you don't have to say that every time you come. We get it.
You said it for the first week straight. It was fine. Now we get it. We know.
I could keep weed in my mask. I'm like,
oh, okay.
That is true. That's innovative. That is innovative.
I respect it.
Matter of fact, you know what? Me and Mero want to send you to Shark Tank. What's up, sharks? You ever want to keep marijuana in your butt? You don't gotta do that no more. Put it in your mask. You're like, okay,
hey, all right, yeah. I own the Dallas Mavericks too, but yeah, I'm really interested about the weed in the butt thing. Tell me more.
That's what we got a special popper thing.
Buds. Butt buddies.
It's basically like that thing you put in a bottle after you open it that replaces the cork. Those collapsible things.
Yo. I don't know the name of this shit. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Sharks. How many times have you been buying Reggie on the corner and the connect has to pull the mid from under his sack? Me and Mero, we've come up with a solution for that. It's called what was the name? The butt buddies. The buggery butt. No, it's butt bud. It's pretty self-explanatory. You put butt in, you put the butt in, and then you put butt out. You put your butt in, and then you shake it all about. There you go. And it comes. You can get either like a sports logo, you can get a gang affiliation, or your fraternity or sorority. So, Sharks, what do you think? We'll also need $50 million for 2% of the company.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cash.
Yeah. Our revenue in the last year has been about $40.
Yeah, give or take.
$40. We spent $2.3 million
yes.
in Facebook.
It's a lot of overhead. A lot of overhead.
How many? The only employees are me and Mero, and
yeah. So
we don't have a working prototype here today, but
no, I have the sketch though. I did a sketch.
Yeah, show him the sketch.
Look,
and I have some actual. I have some actual weed in my butt. So Sharks, if you would like, I'll pull it out, and you
guys good? You gotta prolapse your cheeks to fucking get the weed out and shit. He was like, impressive. I'm impressed.
Everyone's like smiling, like
20,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm in at 20,000 for 70% stake.
You know what? I enjoy carrying weed in my butt. Therefore, I'm out. You're like, oh wow. You gonna do me like that? I'm like, yo, could y'all hurry up? Cause like this weed got pointy corners and
please.
Ooh,
she got a mad wild stem in it, yo. Shit is gonna perforate my colon. It's traveling upward, dog. What's going on?
It's Uptown Reggie. There's a branch in it. Like, yo, they just got a full fucking branch from an oak tree in there. You're like,
what is
I'm
this?
I'm like, yo,
this man seeds in the weed, so you take a shit and it's like
this is a peach pit. What is this? What's going on?
What's going on here?
What kind of weed is this?
What kind of shenanigans are these?
He's like, straight from Jamaica. I'm like, Jamaica where? Jamaica Queens?
What the fuck?
Come on, bro.
Get this shit out of here. He said a peach pit. Yo, you find that brolic seed in your weed, you're like, yo, fam, they tricked me. You turn it to the GC ad-lib, they tricked me.
No.
I thought the shit was Cali weed. Nigga, what the fuck?
You ever roll with someone who don't like put the weed through the grinder and shit, and then you smoke it and all of a sudden like the weed explode and you think that's you? Like, what's wrong with you? Get a grinder.
Did you put a sparkler in the blunt? What the fuck?
Yo, I was not even. This is not even savage behavior. I guess this is weed head behavior. But I back when we used to be allowed to fly, I would always bring a grinder when we went to LA.
Yeah.
Anytime we traveled, I'd always bring a grinder because every time we would meet people and get weed, it was just like you gotta grind the weed up. And like I know how to grind shit up, but without a grinder. But it's easier to just be like.
Oh yeah, just dump in the paper and go. Break it.
We've had some weed experiences.
Yeah.
We've had weed with no paper. We had too much weed, no paper.
Yep.
We've had
that Canada situation was out of this world. I don't know I don't know how I even did that. Like if you told me that, yo, teach me step by step how you did this, I'd be like, I don't know. I'd be like, I went into a store and I was like, what's the closest thing you got to a blunt? And they gave me like mini Black and Milds. They rolled like 3 blunts out of mini Black and Milds.
At one point, we were smoking out of Bible paper, and then don't forget we had no weed. And then I called my cousin in Mississauga, and he sent over a little dun who gave us like half a pound of weed. And I was like, "What the?
Sir, we're flying out of here in 10 hours."
I'm like, "Fam, you are at a Funny or Die party. Kenya Burris is right there. What's going on?" He's like, "Yo," and he gave me the headline. He was like, "Yo, you be good." I was like, "What is this Canadian top boy?
What's going on here?"
I had to text my cousin like, "Yo, I said a little bit."
He's like, "A little bit, man. You don't know I'm a guy in these streets."
And then because like, and then you were like, you had a cold or something, and you went because you felt you were like out of it. But
I sat down on a rock, and it was quiet for me. I sat down on that rock, and I was just like,
I remember because
I was like, oh, weed.
But remember, it was like we had to go to that Funny or Die party. But yeah, that really, and then the whole party, we was like, yo, ain't no weed. And then when we were leaving, some little kid with ash on his face is like, AD, and I was like, hello? And he just gives it to me and just walks off and disappears into the crowd.
Nigga just threw the Pat Mahomes like turkey bag pass at you, like, yo, here, hold this felony amount of weed, but she like.
I was like, oh, okay, all right, thank you. And I'm like, where's the rolling papers? And they're like, that's on you, dog.
He's like, yo, sorry, figure it out.
But now I carry entourages when we fly. Like I just always. Sometimes I might they might be rolled up already. You know.
Yo, low key. You can do that because they got the little plastic tube. You can roll it out and just put it in the tube and put it back in the pouch. Not like.
Because you got to think about it. Look at TSA. What TSA? Like you really think a TSA agent is trying to go all the way through your shit and pull out each. Now to pull out the entourages. Now pull out each individual one
by one.
Come on.
They're not doing all of that. They're like, yo.
And then even if that's the case, if you have like 3 road entourages, how much weight is that? That's not even enough for the cops to come for arrest. That's just being a hater.
Yeah, that's hating. It's like, because that's a ticket.
Yeah. If that happens, that means you have previous history with that TSA agent. You might have slept with his ex, or y'all might have got into a fight in a club a couple years ago, or you stole his hookah at La Marina, and he see you, he like, oh, okay. On site mean on site. Yeah. Mero. Ain't that, remember we was walking home for MTV2? Remember that nigga? Remember the nigga that tried to fight us in the intersection? With the bags?
With the bags? That's him?
He in your search line.
Ooh, say less. Let's go.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna close my line to put more stress on that line. So
Yeah.
This line is closed now. Sorry, this line is closed. Sorry, please go to the next line.
Why is the line?
This line is closed. Please go to the next line, sir.
Is there a reason? Is there a reason the line's closed, sir?
Excuse me.
I was next. I have my shoes off.
Sir, you are talking to a federally trained TSA employee, and I'm telling you this line is closed. And I feel like you're being aggressive towards me. Are you acting in a form of aggression right now?
No, of course not. I would never.
You know what? I don't want to hear it. Please proceed to General Air Marshal Mero over there. He's going to.
Come here. Mm-hmm. Yo, you like to be at Midtown and shit, right?
It was like back in my previous life before I had met my wife and my beautiful kids. I used to.
That's your wife.
Pop. Yeah, that's my wife. Yeah.
Your kids. That's your kid. That kid right there.
Yeah, that's my little spanky kid right here. Say hello, David.
Oh, hey, David.
You want to be a TSA agent one day too.
Oh, it's a fucking TSA, David.
Why'd you hit him?
Oh, remember the 2 motherfuckers you was yelling at? Who you looking at? Remember that?
He might
2014?
Someone arrest this man. Someone arrest this man. What do you mean? Ow!
You motherfucker. Ow! Yeah, you got bags now. Stupid. Now your bags is on the conveyor belt, bozo. Jesus, hold him.
I got him. Rock him up. Sir, you gotta take your hat off. Take your hat off.
Take your fucking hat off.
The hat's off.
Smack your shit off. Fucking bozo.
All right.
Now we gotta do a cavity search.
Yeah, you gotta go in the back.
Go in the back.
He doesn't have any gloves. I
don't care. I got some Vaseline. Did you see me go in the back I just go in the back and spit on my hands like Big Poppy?
Yo, my guy. This is spit on his hands like Big Poppy. That's the last thing you want to see when you're in TSA custody.
You just go... Yo, let's go, Poppy. Go in the back.
I fist today, we win today. That's it. Yo, relax.
Chill. You gotta chill.
Nah, shout out to TSA, I guess, because I guess they're still working, but
yeah.
I guess they had to lay some people off because there's not many flights, right?
Yeah, no, nah. There's mad grounded flights and shit, mad canceled flights. Yeah, nah, they probably furloughed mad people.
Damn, what was the last? Oh, today is the anniversary of our Miami show last year.
Oh shit!
So shout out to Miami show, which we
we was in Miami, bitch.
No hyperbole. We killed that shit. You know the vibes.
Oh my god.
You know the fucking vibes.
How did it?
Shout out to the SLS. You
know what I'm saying? Shout out to the SLS to the cloudiest pool in the southern region.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what nigga fuck Wuhan. That's where the coronavirus came from.
That shit came from. Definitely. Shout out to the couple. When I was checking out the SLS, they were checking in and they had a pair of green Yeezys on top of their suitcase, which is hilarious because there are no green Yeezys. So you are checking into the SLS with fake Yeezys.
Oh shit, it's a fraud.
Big Miami energy.
Yo, I got fake Yeezys. What's poppin'?
And I know some of y'all are like, no, Jesus, the Yeezy 350s did come in green. This was not the shade of green it was.
No.
This is like a dark mushroom green. It was like the green from the beef and broccoli Tims.
No. So those don't exist.
And I gave him that look like, those ain't real.
He's like, yeah, I know.
Those ain't real.
I know. Shh.
That was like when me and Mero went to that first time we went to Cali. We stayed in West Hollywood for MTV2. But I remember everywhere we went was mad fake Yeezys. Everyone had fake Yeezys.
Everywhere, bro. And it's wild because like I don't know. Like, look, you know, you're more like in tune with the sneaker game than I am. I have never seen a sneaker broken down so much like the Yeezy, where it's like, yo, you can tell it's fake if the stitching is this way, and like, yo, and it's like mad micro, like whatever. Not even Jordans. And like, you know, motherfuckers like are fanatic with Jordans. I've never seen a sneaker broken down like that in my life. I was just like, I think
it has something to do with it's like for a sneaker for a new generation. So you got like younger people, and there's because if you remember, like there was never when Jordans dropped, there were no YouTube videos, so we could be like, yo, these are fake Jordans. The only way we knew they were fake if Jordan was like dunking on somebody, got a butt. Jordan had the wild yeeks. Yeah, like, Jordan had like the wild swollen legs.
Like yo, my man got MJ diabetic socks. What happened?
Like yo, but now Yeezys, they got like instructional videos about how to see if they're fake. There's a certain stitch count on the back that you can tell if it's fake. But I mean, people have gotten good at that. And the wild part, if you watch like Judge Judy and People's Court and stuff like that, people are constantly on there about failed sneaker transactions, and every time it's a pair of Yeezys. Every time. Without saying.
You know, Judge Judy don't know shit about what's going on. She's like, why did who coming here with tennis shoes?
Why are these shoes so ugly? Who?
Why you
Kanye? Who?
What are those?
You buy sneakers other people already wore? That's disgusting.
That's disgusting.
That's gross. And
I don't even wear bowling shoes when I go to the bowling alley. You're buying other people's shoes? What are you?
And she turns to the bailiff and she's like, they're wearing shoes other people pay for. He just laughs. He's like,
could be me.
Exactly. That's all he ever say. Could be me. Oh, they stupid. Oh.
They came to the right place.
We're laughing, but I think both you and I could make some extra money being court officers on TV shows.
Oh man, that's the wild side hustle.
How long does that take? We could shoot that. We could knock that out in like a couple weeks for the whole year.
2 weeks of shooting for 300,000 episodes. Like just
how?
Like yo,
exactly.
Cross your arms. Okay.
You get to be 12, but you're not the part of 12 that is affected by the statement "fuck 12." It's win-win, baby. It's win-win.
Yo,
you don't gotta do no stupid. Job. You don't gotta do no stupid Blue Lives Matter bullshit.
None of that.
Like, you're just like yo. You just like, yo, when I get home, I take the job off. You feel me?
That's it.
You never gotta do the most aggressive act you ever gotta do is be like to somebody while you be like, hey, she's talking.
Hey, order.
Hey, she's not gonna repeat herself.
Shh.
You know what?
I think the most he ever did is put his hands on his handcuffs, like when she's like, order, order. Man puts his hand. Hey, I will restrain you.
Like, let's say, I'll be like, all right, you need to relax. We're all wearing lav mics. Okay?
Come on, stop.
All right? This ain't the mean streets.
Come on.
Crafty's right there. Crafty is right there.
You're 5 feet away from kind bars. My guy.
Okay? It's
like,
not scary. All right? I'm supposed to be terrified of you because you got handcuffs. I just see Candace reapply foundation to your nose.
Stop.
So
you're not scared of nobody.
Yo.
It's your fucking park ranger uniform.
Oh, shit.
That's a wild, yo. Damn, that is a wild, easy job. Holy shit.
Let's go. Listen, I'm Jamaican. You're Jamaican. There's no reason. Just because we have a really good job doesn't mean we can't. We have time in our schedule to have more shitty jobs. That's what we were doing before this. If anything, we've lost our roots.
That's
so
true.
We have just one really good job.
Just one,
traditionally, you're supposed to have several really bad jobs.
Bad jobs, yeah.
Yes. So.
Fuck. Yeah. So let's do bailiffs, Uber driver.
I'm delivering food. What else? I got a table.
The guy that gets
sports...
the carts. The cart guy. The cart guy. Like just the motherfucker in the parking lot, just putting all the carts in there.
Carts, yes. Yeah. Smart. You thinking? I got a table. Yeah. We can print up some bootleg T-shirts for when baseball comes back and sell them in front of Yankee Stadium.
Bang,
right there. And to cover both bases, we'll have Mad Yankee T-shirts, but then we'll also have a couple T-shirts for whatever team is playing, and a couple Red Sox tickets. Just
just in case.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it just
This is funny because this is literally what we'd be doing if we never got on TV. We wouldn't be on Zoom. Right now, we would be on a corner somewhere in the Bronx, red cup in hand with some liquor, smoking some cheap No mask. No mask,
No,
because it's like, yo,
Oh,
fuck that. Corona's not real. Fuck
man,
that.
shit,
Fuck
corny
that.
shit,
Yo,
man.
these niggas believe Corona's real. That shit.
Man, these niggas bozos.
That's some
man.
internet
Fuck
shit.
outta
Nigga.
here.
These niggas is both.
Bro,
Anyway,
man.
yo, rest in peace to your mom. Rest in peace to your
You know
mom
what I'm
for
saying?
dying.
Word. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what I mean? They said some shit like COVID, whatever the fuck. I was like, man, yo, nah. Put some respect on Kobe's name. Be stop fucking playing, man. Rest in peace to the GOAT.
Why
you know
they
what I'm
bringing
saying?
up the mama when they talking about your mama?
You know what I mean?
It's just
Fuck out of here, B.
There's a time and place for everything, yo.
You know what I'm saying?
Anyway, yo, listen. Yo, I just beat a nigga down and took his SoundCloud page. You know what I'm saying? We should post some shit on
let's
that.
upload that shit.
Yo, that
Word.
nigga got like 200 subscribers and shit. We gonna be platinum. I'm sure
Oh.
Jay-Z gonna hear us and like,
Yo, this is perfect time to drop off fucking COVID. Yo, let's drop that COVID 187 mixtape.
right?
Ready.
Y'all
Get
don't,
it ready.
you know, listen. You guys better thank Showtime for giving us Desus and Mero number show late night nominated for an MU Cowards. But yes,
Yes. You have
thank
your Emmy
Showtime for
voter.
giving us a show, because if not, right now on your block, you could be living on the same block as Dusty Desus and Murder Mero.
Murder Mero.
You know what?
Yeah.
And think about it, we're not Dusty Desus and Murder Mero from you'd have to age us 7 years, but in 7 years we've learned nothing.
Oof.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Just straight the same.
Yeah. Just like maybe how to stab better.
Yeah,
That's it.
straight. Just learning to actually wipe down the bullets before I shoot somebody. That kind of shit. That kind of hood shit. You know what I'm saying? Like learning to wear larger shoes than I normally wear in case I want to go buck up a party. Just like little subtle nuances.
Little things. You know what I'm saying?
Not anything that would help me be a professional person in life. Just help me, because think about it. You get to a point and it's just like, wow, I'm older in the hood. I have to just like, you gotta become kind of squirrely. You gotta start outwitting people.
Yep.
So listen, the young guys got burners, but you know what? They don't got learners.
That's right. They don't have the experience.
You guys start coming up with phrases like that because you're the OG.
Yeah. And they're like, yo, I don't know what that meant, but it was deep though.
That was deep as shit. You know what I'm saying?
They said that nigga didn't even get his GED, but he's mad wise. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, and then every now and then you gotta come up with some, like when you see the young kids and shit, you gotta interrupt them. They talking about Fortnite, you be like,
yo,
young, come here, youngin.
What's up, old head?
Yeah, what's up, youngin? Yo, I want to drop some knowledge on you right now, okay? No,
right. Hurry up, cause I gotta get in my party with my homies and playing Fortnite and shit like that.
Peep this lesson right here. You know what I'm saying? Alpo dropped this to me in '89 before he became a snitch, right? So get this, right? Yo, think about it.
What's Alpo?
Think about it. Alpo, you know what I'm saying?
The dog food?
Not the gold food. It was like he was like a snitch drug dealer back in like the '80s. You know, like 40 years ago and shit.
The '80s? Ew.
Yeah, it was a long time ago. You know what I'm saying? We didn't even have the internet and shit.
Ugh. How'd you live like that?
And like,
you didn't have internet?
We didn't have internet, but it was like I had.
How y'all beat our meat?
Nah, we beat our meat because we had like Jerry curl juice, and we use that, you know, just keep the shaft lubricated, just keep that shit moving. You know what I'm saying? And then every now and then I'll take my Sky pager and put it under my nuts, and then I'd page myself. When it vibrated, it felt really good.
Mr. UMass, you smell like beer.
I smell like beer because you know.
Why you keep? I'm trying to go in the store. Why you stand in front of the door?
Because like I'm trying to tell you this message, so you feel bad when you come outside and give me.
Yappy, let's jump this nigga, yo. Let's jump this old nigga.
Okay, all right, but guess what? Okay, yeah. All right, meet this burner from '91, nigga.
Oh shit!
All right. Take that, you little young niggas. All right. Take that. These bullets is older than you.
Yo, damn. Yo, he hit me with the 22. That's 22 years old. Damn.
I had this shit at Envy.
Shit. This shit stings.
Oh shit. That's how it be. And then
you ever shot your gun in like 10 years and shit blows up in your hand? You're like, oh shit, oops.
Nah, them old heads, they love cleaning and polishing their guns. They love that. No, they like get into a room with some like them old hardcore old heads, like, and then they be like, yo, I used to be a shooter for Fat Cat. You know, for Supreme and them and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
And like you playing spades, niggas smoking weed, they cleaning their guns, they tell you war stories from like 1981. You like, fam, like, what I'm gonna do with that?
What is that?
Whatever. Like,
I don't even know that club.
I'm like, yo, let me
explain. Does that club even
explain
exist anymore?
Let me explain something to you, my guy. To you, I'm young. To everyone else, I'm not young. So you're putting me in a weird predicament right here. You're talking to me as if I'm really young, and you're confusing the shit out of me. Like I probably gotta go get my prostate checked soon. And
Hey,
like,
man.
you
Listen,
making me feel some kind of way.
Hey, listen. You ain't gotta get your prostate checked, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't. You know what I'm saying? I'm older than you. I ain't. You know what I'm saying?
Also, that's
how could you have a problem with your prostate? You know what I'm saying? If you don't get it checked, you know what I'm saying? They ain't gonna find no problem.
That's the other thing. The old heads always give you very bad advice just because some shit they did hasn't caught up to them yet. I remember I knew this one guy. He was like, "Shit, man, I ain't paid income tax in 20 years." I was
Man,
like,
fuck that shit.
I was like, "Excuse me?" I was like, "You
How?
ain't paid income tax in 20 years?" I was like, "You have kids. How was this?"
How did you do that? How did you get away with that?
I was like, "You have a state job. What the fuck is going on here?" I was like, I do not feel safe in your apartment right now. Like, yo, fam.
Yo,
That's wild.
fam. Yo, nah.
See, that's like when you got people who just like straight criminals and shooters and drug dealers and stuff. You like, you wild. You don't respect the law. I fuck with that because your shit is consistent. When you got people who have like real good jobs and then they be doing some side shit that's crazy, you be like, yo, what is wrong with you? They be working for the city making $200K and they like, yo, you want to help me move a brick? And you're like, what? Why?
What the fuck? Dog?
Nigga, you have tenure. You have a job. You only got to show up on Mondays. Like, why you moving crows?
You don't gotta do this. There's no reason for you to do this at all. yo, son, you're a hedge fund manager, but you're a hitman on the weekends. Like, what the fuck, dog? Is it fun for you?
It's like on the Tekashi trial. One of the people that got caught up was she was like a sergeant for the cops or some shit like that. And she was like helping the boyfriend move drugs. Like, also that makes me think. I'm like, how many exes would have helped me move drugs? And all of them are like, not me. And you know what? Maybe that's why you're ex. You know, maybe that's the Maybe it was he wasn't as the Bible says in the book of Timberland. In the verse of Jadakiss, I'm the ride or die bitch.
Teach these levels. You know what I'm saying? Make her hop out and get a Duchess. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to make her do it. She does it of her own free will.
Everyone knows. Mary Magdalene used to roll Dutchess on demand. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, you know, that's just.
You know what I'm saying?
Mary Magdalene, creature of desire. Yo.
Well, they have. Let us know what your preferred vessel of smoking is. You know what I'm saying?
What's yours?
I feel like people are gonna be like, yo, bowls, bro. You don't have a bowl?
I've never been a big bowl guy.
Yeah, me neither. I don't like to get a speck of weed in my mouth when I'm smoking.
Right. What about you ever fuck with let me see.
No,
you like smoke the backwoods and papers, that's your shit, right?
Yeah.
You know me, I'm entourage.
Yeah. I'm like a strictly blunt guy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Pretty much. Like I was going to joint.
There's something to the blunt though.
Yeah.
Like if you're given the choice of a joint or a blunt,
I'll take a blunt. 10 times out of 10.
10 times out of 10. Definitely.
100 times.
You know what? The only thing I've ever like, I remember I had an ex who used to smoke out of a bong, and I was like, what, "Are we like in the 70s? Like, what are you doing?
What is this?"
Like, she was just constantly be around the room, like just hear mad bubbles, and I was like,
"What are you like? Why are you walking around with a fish tank?
Like, what are you doing?" But so I had a bong for a little bit. It was a glass bong, and it broke, and it's like getting the piece that broke fixed was like $40, and I was like, "All right, I'm off this."
I'm good.
But you ever fucked with the volcano? The shit that vaporizer that.
Whoa, that fills a garbage bag full of fucking fatal weed smoke? That if you try to finish it. Yo, how big does this shit get?
Like, my whole thing is, when you smoke a blunt, eventually you get to the end of the blunt, you're like, all right, we're done here.
Okay,
like,
game over. Damn.
The volcano's like, nah, nigga, let's test these lung capacity. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, it's over 1,000.
Over 9,000. Oh my god, it's so powerful, Goku. Like,
like one single tear coming out. You smoke so much weed, it activates your superhuman powers and shit. Now you gotta fucking save Japan. You're like,
we hear this shit get wild. Music makers in the back. He does that fall down laugh, that anime laugh shit. Like, sees the niggas feet in the air. Like, y'all niggas respect.
The Bodega Boys, they are too smack. So we gotta go fucking fight the fucking Titans and Attack on Titan and defend a fucking wall. I gotta drag a boulder. Like, I was like,
fucking weed Nuyasha.
Inuyasha, Mero Nasha.
Kawaii. That's the only thing I'm like, yo, that's it. That's like that's why I gotta go to Japan. I'm like, yo, I gotta go to Japan. Just my guy Rehab who went to Japan, and like the only probably was the only Dominican dude in Japan at the time. I think there's only one allowed. I think if we go there, that would be the maximum capacity of West Indian people.
Listen,
in Japan.
Like, you were like, I need to go to Japan. And Japan was like, no,
you don't.
No.
You don't.
Right now, there are only 14 countries you can go to using the U.S. passport.
Oof.
The majority of those are in the Caribbean.
That part. And it's like, damn, dog.
Like, people, and then they were asking people, was like, well, why would I ever want to leave America? And I was like, okay, first of all, if that's your answer, we starting at the bottom right here.
Okay.
Like,
yeah, all right.
Those are people who
like,
they're like, I want to go to like a sandbar in Tennessee for my vacation. It's like, why?
Why?
That's not fun.
That's trash.
My nigga, you want to 2-step with amoebas? Like, that's not fun. Like, you want that dysentery?
Like, ew.
But yeah, I looked on a map and I was like, what countries are taking these dirty Americans? It's like DR, Jamaica. I was like, why?
Why? No, stop.
Do I gotta write them a letter?
Guys, this is our economy. We have tourism.
They're like,
this is what we do.
Maybe if we were like an independent nation, then we didn't have to suck on the teat of imperialism from America. Meanwhile, St. Thomas is just swallowed like, we love tourism. We love Americans. We love not really being our own country and not being able to vote weirdly. Yeah.
Yes, we love it. Big things in that.
Oh, America.
So, fuck yeah. Coming around and sing the motherfucking day, yeah. I feel like a lot of Americans feel that way. Like, America got to save the world. It's like, nah, dog, you don't.
Yo, them days is over. America.
You just got to mind save yourself, motherfuckers.
You know what? America is like when you were younger. Remember when you were like a little kid? You was like, yo, my father is the strongest man in the whole entire universe.
The world. He could beat up Superman. He could beat up the Hulk. I don't even care.
That's what the American images used to be. And now, how your father is right now is how America is right now. Like, my father is like, I call my father. He's like, ooh, just got out the chair and I'm winded. Ooh, I'm like, what? You sir used to like just stand on one leg for like 9 hours while mowing lawns and painting things.
Word. I was like, Uncle my pops he's sitting there drinking a beer with no shirt on, his can go all backwards and shit with the beer belly. I'm like,
just like straight wash.
Fam, I'm like, you're washed. I was like, God damn. I was like, nigga, I see you pick up a commercial AC unit on your back.
Yes.
And climb onto a roof with the shit. Like,
with one hand.
Wow.
My father's like, I just like to look at the lake. That's the highlight of my day now. I was like, oh, all right. Okay.
Hulk Hogan is a fucking perfect analogy for America. Because he was, remember when we were little, he was like, yeah, brother, Hulk Hogan, brother. He was like the illest. And then it was just like, yo, NWO, he sounded like, oh, this is a little funny. Like, this is different. Oh, the Hulk has a dark side. The Hulkster. And then he's definitely. And then the N-bomb tape, and you were like, what the fuck?
It don't get more American than that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's and the Rockets, red glare.
Then they try to cancel you, man. He sued the motherfuckers and tried to cancel him and like doubled down on the shit and got them out to pay and somehow profited from being racist. It's the American way.
Hulk Hogan was part of the guy that shut down Gawker.
Yep.
Because of that,
He sued the motherfuckers? Yo. He's like, yo, get you out of here.
As two people who, if Gawker was still around, they'd probably be writing stories about us that we'd be like, yo, relax. Chill. I do miss Gawker because back when I had a desk job, it made the time fly by.
Yo, what? That and like Deadspin and shit? Like, I would just cycle through like that and like the whole set.
That whole thing.
Jalopnik, fucking.
And Kanaya, whatever, the video game one. Like, yo, listen to these old wash guys talk about blogs, bro.
Talk about old blogs, dude.
Bro, talk about they have blogs. They used to read. Meanwhile, Twitter got voice notes and shit now. Like, you're just like, hey, this is for you. You're too lazy to read my tweet. Sorry,
pal.
Shout out to everyone on Twitter that has the voice notes but hasn't used it yet because you don't want people to realize you've been using African American vernacular and you do not have the voice to pull it off. Hey, bees up, bro.
Yo.
Yo.
What's shaking?
Yo, kill a slob when I see a slob, bro.
Yeah, what's really popping in these streets? My G.
Popping. Yeah, pussy. Yeah, pull up, bro. At me, bro.
I dare you.
I dare you. Yo. Make a nigga want to marry me. Like, you're like, all right, relax. Relax.
Like, yo, you don't sound like that.
Like,
Damn, I was reading your tweets in a whole other voice.
like what? Like, yo.
Yeah, shit.
Listen, some of y'all out there.
my
Some of y'all just, you know. But then people's like, Jesus, you and Mero do that because you use glizzies. And yeah, that's not, no, actually, no one's ever said, actually, one girl said that. One girl was like, why are they saying glizzy? And they're from New York. And people was like, because the brand is strong, shut the fuck up. And I was like, that is the proper response.
That's the proper
response to anything at any time. Anyone has any kind of slander, any criticism, even if it's light criticism. If somebody even says something like, yo, look, Mero has lint on his shirt, or, you know, Desus has, you know, a warrant, just be like, yo, shut the fuck up.
What?
What
Shut the fuck
what
up,
does that have to do
Suck
with
my dick.
anything?
Fuck outta here.
You know? What does my warrant have to do with you? Because you're a cop? Huh? I'm a sovereign citizen.
Oh.
Okay? Guess what?
You're a Leo?
I don't have a warrant in my nation. And my nation is in the sneaker room. So what I'm basically using this podcast to say, NYPD, come find me. I am barricaded in my apartment, and I'm not going out with a fight. You know what I'm saying? Because I hadn't... Okay, sorry.
Whoa. But they'll be like, yo, Desus Donor has entered the chat.
They're going to break in the room with, like, mad tear gas and stuff. They're going to be like, he has something. They're going to be like, what? They'll be like, a lot of sneakers.
He has mad heat.
He said, mad heat. I repeat,
these niggas are fire.
I see the chunky dunks. Niggas just shoot the whole fucking room up. I'm like, De Blasio's like,
yes, the Sakai's are pristine.
De Blasio's like, it's a tragic shooting. It was just misinformation. We all know NYPD has a history of calling guns chunky dunks. So it was just a simple misunderstanding. Sorry to that man's family. I'm sorry
to that man.
I have a dream.
Shout out to his family.
I have a dream. I have a dream that people in libation will put Molly in their butt. I have a dream that people will jump into the boom room and have unprotected sex. I have a dream.
I have a dream.
You're like, wait a minute. You're like, why was MLK at the Standard?
Why? What the fuck? What was he doing there?
Just a wild picture.
Oh,
of,
shit.
There's a picture of me.
You just hear a voice like, mind your business, nigga.
Just randomly, just someone on Throwback Thursdays like, yo, picture of the early 2000s. It's me, you, Gene, OJ, MLK, and dances. And you're just like, yo. You're like,
yo.
And the thing is, it's one of those pictures, like, you look zooted out your mind. So you text message people like, yo, when did we take this? Like,
when did we take that?
Wow.
Oh shit, we were the Vice Do's and Don'ts.
Oh wow. I forgot that. Oh yeah. I always knew that. I remember that. They're like, yeah. Remember Desus? You were mad. You took mine. You were mad wasted. You walked home from Bushwick to the Bronx. I'm like, what? They're like, yeah.
Word?
Somehow you did it in 20 minutes. I was like, yeah, it was open.
Yeah, wow, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yo, you left the flat at like 3 a.m, and then you called me at 3:15. You said you were home. That was wild.
Yeah. I remember you said that you were taking that train home, then you went onto the train tracks, you somehow converted your body into an actual train and somehow touching the third rail powered yourself?
It was wild, bro.
Yeah.
I watched it. I mean, I was fucked up too, but I watched it.
Yo.
Maybe we should have smoked DMT and like take the train.
I watched a very good, well, not gonna say it was a very good movie. It was an interesting movie. You might want to check it out. It's called Only on Netflix. And it's about a guy. Okay. He has to protect his wife because some sort of virus comes and it's like killing all the women in America. So
it's a virus that targets only women?
Yeah. Which had me thinking, I was like, damn, the timeline must be trash. Like if there's no women left. Like niggas just like it's just a 24/7 debate about Ether versus Takeover and shit. Like niggas talking about wrestling. Yo, niggas is body shaming dead women. Like, yo, she died, but yo, she was a wild dub.
Yo, remember when she was popping, when she was alive? Bitch is whack
yo,
now.
Rest in peace to her family and shit. Like,
yo,
the timeline would be wild aggressive. They'd be just like you post something, you'd be like, yo, my mom's died. Yo, rest in peace. Niggas be like, yo, this nigga's wild soft.
Fuck you, mad buzz, nigga. Bitches die every day, nigga.
Yo,
Fuck out of here.
This nigga Mrs. Mars. Woohoo. Wow. Wow.
So we don't just revert back to like 2009, dog. Like,
After a certain while, we just be typing like ooga booga, ooga booga. But nah, it's a good movie because it was shot in 2019 before coronavirus, and like every time he leaves the house, like he has to like mask up and like wash his hands. Like it's a lot. It's worth the wait. You know, I'm watching some. I
like watching weird movies.
I got,
you know what I'm saying?
Here's another
like
weird
I get
one.
into.
That's a weird one.
I like, because that's my thing. Like I like big big blockbuster movies. Everybody does.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? But like movies I really fuck with are like those weird like indie weird kind of like this was big in Sweden, so they did like an American version or some shit like that. Victor's over here smiling like I've worked on many of those.
A movie. If you want a weird
happens. Let the right one in. 2007.
If you a movie that's weird that you'll like, it's called N.I.T.C. the World, and it's about a zombie outbreak.
Nighttime? Because I'm writing this down. Like,
the N.I.T.C. the World, and it's about like a zombie apocalypse in France. But it's not like a normal like Walking Dead whatever. It's like a regular dude. Because the way the movie is set up, it's like if a zombie apocalypse comes, you like the average person is not going to be easy to kill a zombie. Like it's a mental thing. Like if your neighbor it turns into a zombie, unless you have beef with them, you're not gonna be easy to stab them in the head with a screwdriver. You're gonna feel bad for them and be like, "Yo, chill."
Hell yeah!
Like
they still look like fucking,
exactly.
Like, oh my god, it's Bill.
Exactly. That's what the movie's about. Shit like that, and like also we don't all have superhuman abilities. Like we're not all turning into fucking Blade on our run to like.
That part, like I'm like, yo, fam, it looks real easy in the movies, but stabbing a skull is pretty hard.
Exactly. What I love in like Walking Dead, you'll take someone with a sword and they'll go like, whoosh, one swing, whoosh, and the head flies off.
Decapitate.
No. Let's stay here for a couple, like 20 minutes of just hacking.
Yeah.
Just hacking.
Yeah. Watch some cartel videos.
Exactly.
On Live Leak. For the real lunatic version.
How do you feel you hacking and someone's like, hey, why are you hacking me? I'm still
stop,
alive.
Please stop. Then they hit the larynx.
And then also
I always pronounce it like larynx. I will never pronounce. I know it's larynx, guys. That's how you pronounce it, but I will never. In honor of Jadakiss.
Sir, I don't know if you've ever watched this show. We don't really fuck with pronunciation. Like, like we are the E.E. Cummings of podcasts and TV shows. We don't fuck with pronunciations and grammar.
Fuck that shit.
Grammar and pronunciation are anti-black. I said it. I don't care. So, right? All grammar and pronunciation is Jim Crow laws for words.
That's it.
Okay? I'm saying that. Put that out
Teach
there.
these devils.
Teach these devils. Open your third eye. Open your fucking third eye. Also, Charlize Theron has a new movie called The Old Guard. Really good. It's about people who don't die. Like, which sounds...
But did they get old? Do they age and don't die? Or they just stay young?
They don't age.
Forever young.
And I think the tagline is something like, forever is hard, or some shit like that. And then watching the movie, you're like, yeah. Like...
I can imagine. It's funny because people be like, "Yo, I want to be immortal," but imagine really being immortal.
You think about that.
But like you and like everybody you know dies, and then you're like, "All right, you just got to keep making new friends."
Yeah,
that's would be the shitty part for me.
Think about because your original.
Like, oh fuck, I got to make new friends.
That's something she says in the movie. She's like, "Yo, fam, I've been alive for so long, I don't remember my mother or any of those people, because she's been alive for centuries and shit. Like, and all those people are gone." All the people, and you can't just pop up one day like, "Hey, I knew your great grandmother." Like, whoa, yo, stranger danger,
somebody's.
Are you like rooting for her to die at the end?
Who, the lady? No, actually, if you watch the movie, it's based off a graphic novel, so it's not just some weird Netflix shit. But you watch it, it's well done. It's well done. I mentioned it because
there's actually a category called weird Netflix shit on Netflix.
Listen, I mentioned this movie.
They produce so much shit.
I mentioned this movie because it's so good. There's definitely gonna be a sequel, and I'm mentioning it because they're gonna need villains in it, and it'd be a shame if two villains from the Bronx came out, and But the worst part is, Mero, we'd have to go to like training for 6 months to like in Asia to learn how to do some sort of fucking box cutter martial arts. For like,
I'm with it.
Fuck it. You're with it until we get there and they wake us up at 5 a.m. and we're only eating like fucking bamboo sprouts and shit.
They're like, yo, we did the fucking blood sport training shit, like doing splits in between a coconut tree and shit. Like, yo,
the first
we didn't sign up for this shit.
The first time someone slaps me in the face, I'm calling CB. I'm like, what the? He hit me.
Yo, what happened? Yo,
he hit me. What he punched Mero in the gut. Yes,
Girl,
we want to leave now.
Girl, what do you think you signed up for?
We already packed. I'm at the airport right now. This is ridiculous.
No, ink is dry. Sorry, gotta do it.
He dipped his
love you.
He dipped his fist and he put glue on his fist and put broken glass on it. I'm not.
Yeah, that's part of the movie. You didn't read that? I gave you the whole script. I gave you the whole book, whole script. You were supposed to read it.
I didn't read the. Oh.
Yeah. Well, all right. I'm in Greece now. I gotta talk to you later.
All right.
Bye. Gonna go swimming.
Love you, CB.
Yeah.
Nah, but if we, the worst thing that any movie studio could ever do is send us away to like some training camp for like some sort of martial arts shit. Cause you know the thing is,
at first like few days we'll be like, yo, this is dope.
You know what?
And then like after the day 5, you're like, oh, chill, we're washed.
No, I think you say that, but when the occasions come up and they need us to perform, we always step up. So I feel like as soon as we get some weed, we're gonna be in John Wick 4. Listen, I want
they're like, yo,
like 10 minutes, a 10-minute fight, just me and Mero throwing box cutters back and forth, just fucking John Wick up with Tim's.
Yo, they're like, yo, how are they doing slow motion without slow motion?
Yo, did Mero just kill someone with a chopped cheese? Yo,
holy shit!
Mero gonna do a
These guys are good.
Mero's gonna do a flip onto someone, kick off their back, and then spray paint in their face. And then, because I'm the computer guy, I guess I could just come with a keyboard and just smack the shit out of them. Like, yo.
You throw a keyboard and then all the keys come out and turn into like spikes.
Exactly.
And just stab everybody in the room at the same time.
They're gonna be like
V for Vendetta shit.
They're gonna be like, Desus' character isn't as advanced as Mero's character. Like Mero's doing like graffiti to like suffocate niggas and shit. Like.
Listen, like, don't sell yourself short. They're like, yo. Oh, you got the old school mouse that got the ball in it and shit. You take the ball out, the shit is explosive. Like throw the shit at niggas. It's like a smoke bomb.
I got two Apple IIes, the old school from the school, just bashing niggas' heads together like, bow!
Oh shit. I just smacked my light on.
Everyone in the movie theater is like, wow, this movie's amazing. Except for the Bodega Boys. Wow. Why were they added?
Wow.
Why?
What were they thinking?
They're just adding us on Twitter like, you guys were terrible. You ruined the movie. And we just show a picture of us with the light, with fucking money on our eyes, drying our tears.
Oh, so sorry.
No.
Sorry to disappoint.
Oh, shit. Yo, Mero's light just dropped, and now his Zoom window just got very intimate. Yeah.
Yo. Yeah. Quiet storm podcast.
Soft war.
Burns the whole house down.
Do your thing. Maintain a professional setup that has been shown up to us by Showtime, part of the Viacom CBS family. Be sure to check out Desus and Mero, available on Showtime Sundays and Thursdays at 11 p.m. And people are like, why did you guys move to Sunday? And that's like asking LeBron why he went to the NBA. Because it's destiny, okay?
That's right.
You know what it is.
It's meant to happen.
We also would like to apologize to John Oliver for just fucking owning Sunday night. You know the fucking vibes. You know the vibe. All right? John Oliver right now just stole 2 lollipops from a drugstore, and he's like, I'm on my motherfucking corners. We're like, yo, relax. Relax.
Come on, man.
Relax, Marlo. Like,
yo. Listen, though. I mean, the Emmy field is like, yo. You know what I'm saying?
It is good. But, and I'm saying this, some people might say this is gas. We have made an amazing show during a pandemic. And
listen.
You know what? We don't need an Emmy to know that. Like, you see the reviews, people know that. We are the closest thing to a vaccine during coronavirus right now. Okay, I'm wilding. I said too much. I apologize. No. Dr. Fauci, please don't have me thrown in bad camp. Nah, but
Trump 2020, motherfucker.
Yeah. Yo. Next stop, Country Club. But no, the show's been amazing. We're doing that remote. Fam, imagine go back 4 months from now and someone's like, yo, go change the bit rate in your OBS setup. I just punched them in the face.
I'd be like, yo, I don't appreciate you.
I'd be like, he called me a slur. He called me a slur.
I'm like, yo, listen. I told you that I had diverticulosis and confidence, man. Like, it's not IBS. They're totally different things, man.
Oh, man.
You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. Stop playing with me.
I remember right when we were
I
starting.
put the light up and now I feel like I'm in a fucking film noir and shit, like getting
Listen,
interrogated. Where were you last Wednesday? I don't know, pal. I don't know that broad.
I'll never snitch. I'll never snitch. I'll never tell you that the Yayo's in Mero's house in the basement in the back underneath that box of Timbs. They're just looking on the Zoom like, wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Hold on a second. It's shit.
All of a sudden, Mero turns on his camera on the Zoom like, yo. I'm like, how is he here? What's out of here? Yo, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Fam, speaking of like hidden secrets and shit, like apparently Wayfair is trafficking children in like fucking
Yes, I saw it.
wardrobes and
saw it.
fucking chests.
It's wild. It's wild how like some random user on Twitter or Reddit has done more to expose a level of child trafficking that international investigators have never found.
It's wild.
And it's just like
you would think like, like all those wild government agencies that come together in like those movies like MI6 and like
people
Interpol.
are just like, Jesus Mero, and all of a sudden you believe in the government. It's like, no, it's not about believing in the government. It's about just believing, not like we love a good conspiracy theory. You know that.
Yeah,
we know.
Of course.
You can't be mailing niggas peanuts. We know that. We know these things.
No, we know, you know vibes.
But you need a little more than this, all right?
Yeah.
Also,
don't give me like a fake ass like Pizzagate reboot.
Exactly.
Like, come on.
Like Pizzagate wasn't even good enough to get a reboot. Also, a major portion of this conspiracy theory is the use of the Yandex search engine, which is Google for Russia, but it's run by the Google FBI, basically the national security of excuse me, I just messed it. The Russian NSA runs it basically because anything that is owned in Russia, Putin has his hands on. Oh, yeah. So something that is like distracting Americans and shows different search results than the Google results. Do you people learn? Did you not learn from WikiLeaks? Did you not learn anything?
Yo, and the funniest shit is motherfuckers like doing like screen grab videos, being like, "See, look, when I put in this order, it puts in this person, and then it matches this missing person." I'm like,
and then people are like, "Oh, wow!"
You have a cabinet named Jennifer.
They're like, "Why
you know
is
how many
Wayfair,
missing Jennifers there are?"
They're like, "Why is Wayfair like changing prices and changing names?" I'm like, because they even said the vendor that did this is clearly. If you look at this. This was not about child trafficking. This is someone who has vendor privileges at their job, skimming from their job. They're taking money from a budget inside their job to buy $10,000 cabinets, and that money disappears. Like if you know corporate shopping, you know this shit. But people just like, and now people are gonna be like, why is Jesus Mero like? You know what? Use your open your third eye. Open your third eye. There are much better conspiracies out there.
Your first and second eye, even.
Open one of them shits.
Yeah, your third eye is like, nigga, I ain't waking up for this shit.
It's funny because Barstool, Kevin from Barstool, KFC Barstool, today he was like, you people really believe Wayfair, like you can spend $10,000 and Wayfair will send a child to your door. Like,
yeah. He was like, you people
really believe this shit. And it was
you motherfuckers think coronavirus is a hoax, but you think that Wayfair will deliver children to your door? You gotta love this country.
It's like it's a Venn diagram, 5G, the Wayfair people, like, come on, y'all, especially if you listen to this podcast, you gotta think a little deeper than that, though. You gotta look for shit. You gotta look for like multiple sources. You gotta look. You can't just have one Twitter user says this. Now everyone's retweeting the same thing, and everyone's like, "Where'd you get this information from?" They're like, "This one person on Twitter or Reddit." Yeah. That's not how it works.
Or some website that you've never heard of in your fucking life that ends in like .ru.
And now you're basing everything in your life off this. You're off this website, off of like, it's like when people get like rumors and just like, yo, Desus Mero died in a car accident. You're like, where'd you hear this? They're like, at no diggity,
super duper news
at no diggity, no doubt.com. And you're like, I've never heard of this website before. And all of a sudden now people are treating that as like TMZ. Like,
and Teddy Riley sends a wild cease and desist, like, yo, chill.
And then people, this is like, and a lot of the same people that fallen for this were people posting about 5G a couple months ago. And y'all know that, and y'all went back and deleted the tweets. But I remember, Mero remembers, Pepperidge Farm remembers, okay?
That's right.
We know what the fuck is going on.
We know.
We do the dirt. You know why? Because we always on the internet, because we got problems. So, you know, we addicted. We gotta stay on that sweet digital tea.
You know what I'm saying? I need that puree, you know what I'm saying?
Suck on it.
You know what I mean? Got that 100 megabyte per second upload, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
put a trick in my face.
Yeah. Hey, mommy Fios. Hey. You think about it. Think about it. Big internet. They've always wanted you to become addicted to the internet. Companies and stuff.
Yep.
Think about it. Before you have FiOS and high-speed internet, what'd you have? DSL. Think about it.
Mm-hmm.
What does DSL stand for?
Yeah. Sucking lips.
Why wouldn't you want DSL, huh? Why wouldn't you? Think about it. You ask what you got, dial up or DSL, huh? Think about it.
Yo.
Susio. We need someone doing the drop saying Susio.
Susio.
So we already got Dai to do the first one. Might have to be sorry. She knows it. She's not here tonight, but no, it was Victoria did the first one, right? The Bodega Boys wanted to drop.
Yeah, she tried. That was her the Maybach girl.
Yeah,
that was her Maybach girl impersonation.
We might have to get Dai to do a Susio drop. Sorry, it's in the contract, bro.
Susio Boys.
Yeah,
contract.
I'll let her know.
She's like, no problem, boss. I'll do it right now.
I love that.
She's rolling a cigarette.
I love that. Oh, but yeah, shout out to Miami. Yo, this time last year, we was killing it with them shows. We was killing it with those live shows, bro.
Listen to us, nigga. Reminiscing like old heads on NBA TV.
Yeah.
Like, hey man.
Remember that game in Miami when you dropped 40?
Don't sleep on yourself, man. I put you in my top 5 of all time.
Oh man, no, listen. Every now and then I stop and listen. Man. I got one word for you. Wilmore. No, 2 words. Wilmore Theater. You okay? Oh man. That was a night.
That was a night to remember. Like Billy Joe says, oh, what a night.
What I love about those conversations, like it's like the 2 NBA players saying, and they are fondly remembering the night, but they're not using any words, so us viewers have no idea what the fuck they're talking about. They're like, listen, you remember what happened.
Man, listen.
and not even any words. Not even any words. Shit. I can tell you, but I can't even tell you. Listen. What happened back then, stayed back then. But listen, it was.
And you know that.
There was a story there.
Show you right.
You're sitting there like, wow, I really miss TV. I really miss live sports.
What are they talking about?
Yo. Also, any NBA. Shout out to all my NBA players and WNBA players in the bubbles.
Yes.
Because I just realized, since you guys is bored as fucking there, you're definitely listening to this podcast. So,
shout out to y'all.
If y'all need anything, hit me and Mero up. We will provide you with anything you need. I got connects on the ground in Orlando. You need weed. If you need Viagra. If you need
all that
talent, we got you. We
no
would
doubt.
do
you
whatever.
need a spare ACL. You know what I'm saying? Six of talent. For a second there, I was like, what kind of talent are we talking about here, brother?
I'll talk about ventriloquist, okay? I'll talk about ventriloquist, brother. Imagine an NBA player like hits the front desk like, yeah, I need some talent to my room. They can just come up with the van.
Nigga said 2 jugglers.
Hey, James Harden, watch this puppet talk while I drink water. Glug, 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 glug.
He's like, nah, man. He's like, I meant like an Instagram model or something, something like that.
I mean, I don't want to be that guy, but look, the puppet's jaw, it unhinges. So,
you can lead a puppet. You could go.
You can do whatever you want. Have you heard the Pop Smoke album?
I started listening to it this morning because I turned Heather's always got the radio on, and I'm like, what are you, a fucking, what is this, 1985? You listen to fucking FM radio?
On the radio, on the radio.
And it was Nessa. Shout out to Nessa.
Yeah.
And she was just like, yo, rest in peace, Pop. Shout out to the homie. Shout out to Cap. And she played a joint off the Pop Smoke. It was like, yo, rest in peace, Pop Smoke. The name of the album is Shoot for the Moon, Aim for the Stars, Shoot for the Moon, or something like that. Reach for the.
It's why am I blanking? It's Shoot for the Stars, Aim for the Moon. Yeah.
Yeah. And I was just like, oh shit, I gotta listen to this. I was like, it dropped.
You know what? It's cool, but I think
did they rush it out? Does it sound like they rushed it out?
You know what? I just realized my review about it is a washed review because I was gonna be like the rappers on it are not the rappers you wanted to see on it, but. It's not the rap. Now that I think about it, it's not the rappers I wanted to see on it. You know what I'm saying? Because they got Tigers on it, Quavo, Roddy Ricch, Sway Lee, Little Baby, the Baby.
Yeah, no.
little tape.
When I saw the track listing, yeah.
Yeah.
When I saw the features, I was like, yeah, these make sense.
'Cause you know
these
what?
are like of the moment.
Because you know how washed in New York I am? Because I remember 50 Cent was like, yo, I'm going to executive produce it. I was like, yo, we going to get Banks. We going to get, we going to Tony Yayo.
Tony Yayo, the Pop Smoke
G
hook.
is
Oh,
back,
shit.
yo. G-Unit. I was
Here we go now. Well, who can do it, man? Drops for no reason?
Yo.
Nah, stop.
Listen, it would be very disrespectful to have a Tony Yayo verse on a Pop Smoke song, but that shit would be fucking fire. You know that. Like just Lloyd Banks is rapping for 4 minutes straight for no reason. Like,
Yo, for real. Yo, and it's wild because it's like their like rap strength, like you can line them up. It's like Yayo, 50, Banks.
Yep.
Like Banks is like leagues away from them rapping. And Tony Yayo, I love Tony Yayo because he's just clearly like, yo, I'm a goon. But I've been around since day one.
So I know how to rap
So
a
I'm
little.
rocking with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Because my man has been spitting like the same like 30 bars for like forever.
but when you hear them, you're like, yo, he means them.
He
Okay?
means that shit.
He means that shit.
Yo,
and he
and I remember every one.
okay, and he not going back to jail. But if he has to, he gonna do some shit that he earned it. Okay, you want that shit today? Okay.
Yo, this motherfucker said, I'm with a model.
I would have. Oh wait, I know the classic. What is it?
The pussy tight like an airplane bathroom.
There you go. My money longer than yours, nigga. Call your recruits. The locks made more money than them damn signy shoots. The game's about sales, drugs, and rapping. Jada, fuck your punchlines. My shirt went platinum. Style
Yeah,
and chic
fucking
loops
punchline.
with
My
double
shirt went
plastic.
platinum.
Yayo, Buck, Banks is putting out classics. 100 shots, 100 clips. Y'all ready to die? Fat Joe ain't a gangster. He's scared to fly.
To fly.
I'm like, yo.
Yo,
I was like, yo, relax.
Stop, stop.
Listen, there's no.
Yo, and it's funny because like if you go back and listen to that song, he didn't rap that verse. He screamed that verse into the mic.
For those of y'all who don't know, those of you guys don't know real hip hop.
Hip hop, real hip hop.
Listen. That's I Run New York. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
It's an
man.
amazing song.
Even when I'm gone, little nigga.
I Run New York. Just straight havoc. Oh man, you guys. Listen, some of y'all were on the bench. Some of y'all were not outside for that, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell you.
It's wild because I mentioned that shit the other day on Twitter. I was just like, yo, those instrumental CDs, like the J Arms and the fucking Sycamore, where they would just have like every hot beat that was out, like they would just drop a CD of instrumentals. And if you were like a true hood booger dog, you had one of those and you would just sit in cypher with a warm bottle of Paul Masson,
Just
$3
like
brandy.
listening to-
Every trip,
Remember these?
get the grip, I can go to the dealership and buy me a new whip. Take flicks,
Listen.
G6, new tricks. I
G-Mix! Yo, nigga. Yo, remember what motherfuckers used to like, yo, you would anticipate that shit. Like, because I remember when The Dream came out with his first album.
You crazy nigga, I'm from 134th Street. I ain't got no motherfucking
Listen.
boss.
Niggas talking about Jimmy Iovine, my boss. Nigga, motherfucker
Jimmy
Jimmy Iovine, man. I was like, yo. That's how we get on here and be like, yo, nigga, fuck David Nevis,
Yo,
nigga.
right, nigga,
I'm
fuck that
motherfucking
nigga.
2 Street, my
233rd
nigga.
and White Plate, 233rd Dutch Avenue, you know what I'm saying? 33rd, you know what I'm saying? Bees up, rep from that Barvel. Come through, nigga. They're like, so are you still rep by ICM? I'm like, oh, yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Yes,
Sorry about
yes.
that.
Sir, Christina Benzies is right here, sir. This is our creative partner, Victor Lopez.
Yeah. Yo, fuck 215 and all them niggas that was out there for our beef back in 05. They're like, none of those kids are still alive. All right, I'm like, okay, all right.
Yo,
Okay.
I'm gonna just throw a message in a bottle and send a shout out to Dwayne from 219 Crips. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you if you're still alive. I hope you are, and you're doing well.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
He's like,
Peace and love.
yeah, I live in Atlanta now. I have 3 kids.
Yeah, I live in Atlanta now. I work for the government.
Yeah, he's like, what?
I was like, damn, oh shit.
He's like,
yo, still got my bees though, cuz.
yeah. He's like, okay, all right.
My kids. I'm like, what? What does that mean?
Oh shit! I remember my boy he used to work for what did TD Bank use? Oh, was it TD Bank?
Capital One.
Capital One.
E Waterhouse? Oh no.
No,
It was either Capital One or like no, I think it was Capital One.
It was Price Waterhouse. My fault. Yeah, it was Price Waterhouse merged with TD Capital.
And they became TD Bank?
Commerce. It used to be Commerce.
Commerce Bank.
Yes.
You had the free lollipops and the dog food.
And the dog food and the change counter
biscuit treats.
that didn't rip you off. Because the TD Bank one is just like, nah. There was like, that was $30 worth of coins. I was like, I know that was $600 worth of quarters. There was like, do you?
I counted it.
There was like, do you? I'm a robot. But I am a robot. Next customer, please. Next customer, please.
But
yeah, that was my boy. My boy was like
attendant.
a bank manager at Commerce Bank, and I just randomly ran it. I hadn't seen him in years, and I ran into him. His branch was in Manhattan, like on 22nd Street or whatever. And he see me, and he came from around the desk and did the wild blood salute. And then all his coworkers was like,
what?
What's going on? Calvin, what's going on there? He's like, my name is Balvin. I was like, all right, I'm gonna leave right here.
Okay.
I was like, you back on your shit. I want his Facebook page. Like
I love your album.
He's like the wild good father now. He be in church and shit like that. But he saw me. He was like, no, we bringing it back. He's like,
wild,
yo,
bro.
we getting the blickies black, bro.
I told my man, I was like, yo, we should write about this shit. He was, because like now he's like same shit, like Family Man.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, like all his Instagram posts are like, I ain't even gonna say his name. I don't want to blow him up. But like we used to go in,
Mm-hmm.
and now all his Instagram posts are like, yo, I biked 5 miles today.
Mm-hmm.
Like, yo, here's me and my daughters at the park.
Not
And
the
I was just
snitch,
like,
but
oh,
the
shit.
person Mero's talking about is Ari Melber. So just please check out the homie right there. He used to put in bad work. All right.
Shut the Ari Melber.
All right. We used to
shooter.
We used to call him Ariana Grande, not because it was a slur, but because he used to keep the Grande clip. You know what I'm saying? When the shit came through, he usually came with the heavy.
That would be wild meta and shit. Like if he quoted himself, he's like, as I said once in a rap, bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks.
Should we do a show about how Chris Hayes, Ari Melber, and what's her name?
Rachel Maddow?
Rachel Maddow were all in gangs before?
Oh shit!
Gangs
and then they went legit.
Yeah, they went legit. All the same day. Like they got the day they all tried out at MSNBC. Like they had the wild to the death fight in the parking lot underneath. And at the end, they were just like, "You want to keep doing this?"
Nah, truce, yo. It's called truce.
They're offering TV shows. All right.
All right. All right. Yo, we gonna keep fighting, man, or we gonna get to the
Get this thing. Put your hand in at the count of three. 1, 2, 3. MSNBC. 1, 2, 3. MSNBC.
MSNBC. Let's go.
Oh shit.
Right. Shit. Damn, on Saturday, man. Yo, man.
Damn, Rachel, you got the wild left hook. Damn, my jaw rocking.
Yeah. Damn, dog, my shit is booming right now, dog. Shit.
Tonight on This Us In, I whoop these niggas' ass. They're like, whoa, relax,
Yo,
relax, Chris.
Relax.
I wash these niggas. Yo.
Rachel Ray's like, indeed. Sometimes niggas die every day. You're like, oh, okay, all right, okay.
Yep. Well, America, niggas die every day. So, there you have it.
Oh shit. Breaking news. Damn. Someone stole our idea. They just, on my timeline just came up, Bussy Boys. It's something to carry the weed in your butt. Jeff Bezos stole our idea.
Of course he did.
Wow,
bro. Wow.
That's messed up. And you know what? I want to sue him, but at the same time, I'm probably just going to order it because it's easier just to order something from Amazon than create your own thing. So.
Also, if you sue him, he probably has like a building full of lawyers.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
What if every time you sue Jeff Bezos, he just beats you to death and just has the lawyers take care of it? That would be a dark fucking show. Because think about it, Jeff Bezos has enough money to kill anyone he wants and get away with it.
Completely cover it up.
And he has to be
like you mean to tell me if Jeff Bezos killed like 10 people and then called Donald Trump and was like, yo, listen, I'm gonna endorse you, and Amazon is gonna endorse you. Just make these bodies go away.
Not even that. He doesn't even have to get Donald Trump involved. Like he kills 10 people. He has a cleaning service. Someone comes and gets rid of those 10 people, and then they check the surveillance camera, and if anyone else seen it, if anyone else reports the shit, and then he has people inside precincts and stuff. So dispatchers, when people call and they be like, yo, I just saw Jeff Bezos kill 10 people, they enter a special code on their MacBook, which activates sleeper cells that go to that person's location. And how do they know that person's location? Because they got Alexa. Jeff
right.
Bezos only created Amazon so he
Pow.
could kill people. Okay?
There you
I
go.
stand by this. And I stand by
There you
this
go.
because if there's no podcast next week, I was murdered by Jeff Bezos.
Yo.
Okay? I'm just telling you.
Yo.
Who?
He's like, I don't know. He's like, I don't know who that. I don't know her.
All right?
Yo,
Jeff
fuck it.
Bezos, I'm protected by Cash App and by Showtime. You cannot do any harm to me. And Jeff Bezos was like, we need to move Lonzo.
That ain't no problem.
Huh?
That ain't no problem.
No, I'm good. I got that. It's light work.
So, yo,
baby.
so be sure. So, Jeff Bezos, don't murder me. But if you do murder me, kill Mero too, so I'm not alone in heaven.
Yeah, right. Like we'll go to heaven. I bet niggas will be in purgatory like with a blunt. Like,
No,
yo,
we gonna be in hell and Satan's gonna be wild stressed. He'd be like, y'all not tortured? I'm like, no, this shit alright.
it's just alright, bro.
shit feel
I can light a blunt on for anything.
Yeah, this shit.
Like this is. I don't even gotta look for a lighter.
I mean, like, if anything, this shit feel like Whitlock. Honestly,
Shit.
shit hot. I'm saying we standing on the corner. Satan's
Is that a pool table?
Satan's like, yo, y'all, it's 200 degrees. Y'all really got on black jeans? I was like, yo, we from the Bronx. The fuck?
Yeah. What the fuck you mean?
Like,
that's what we wear.
yo, he's like,
Oh no! You know what? He's right. It's like sometimes we gotta switch to the fatigue shorts.
yeah, maybe. And he's like, how y'all keep getting your Timbs keep melting. Y'all keep coming with fresh Timbs. I was like, nah, I knew, baby.
Fuck you mean?
Fuck you mean,
Bro,
bro?
be fresh to. Nigga, I got the brush on deck. Like
Mad niggas is dying with only niggas in black Air Force Ones and shit. Like, all this shit. Mirror.
It was like mad wailing and despair. It's just like,
Ah!
yo,
I'm burning. I was
Yo,
like,
look
we
at
be
this
burning
nigga.
and sojourning and we dancing every day. Yeah.
Hey, turn up.
Yeah. Satan gets mad at us. We getting a wild tan at the side of the Hell's
Yeah.
SLS. Like, yeah, bro.
Yo, Satan.
Yo, Satan. Shit's lit.
Somebody call 911. Shorty fire burning on the dance floor. Oh.
Yo, Satan. Can we get an early checkout tomorrow? We're doing a live show. What do you?
Yeah.
Satan's like, how y'all doing a live? I'm like, no, I don't know. ICM and Victor and them, they booked the show.
Yeah, they made it happen. Yeah, Adam was over there. He was just like,
Just
come
Adam's
through.
down there in hell. Like, yeah, I killed myself for this.
Yeah.
Okay, so listen.
Yeah. He's
You
like,
have a meet and greet after this, and then you have to burn a turn into purgatory afterwards.
So guys, check it out. All right, line this up perfectly for you guys. Got a great restaurant after, nice strip club.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go hang out, have a great time. Jay Farrell's gonna be there. He's not in hell. He's in purgatory. I'm gonna pick him up on the way back.
Nice.
And we're just gonna link up, have a great time.
Sounds good.
How does that sound?
Sounds good.
Cool. I'm gonna lock it in. Just let me know what you want for food, and we're gonna make it happen, man. Let's go.
Definitely. We're in hell, and I text Gasman, and I'm like, yo, I need that, but yo, I'm in hell. He's like, and his response is, okay. He's like, his response is, okay, be there in 30. I'm like, what?
Say less, homie. Hashtag the brand is strong.
He's like, yo, I'm 5 minutes out. Check me. I'm behind the volcanoes by Plato. I'm like, what?
What?
Like, what?
Oh shit!
I just see him walking through lava. He's like, yo, the podcast is dope, bro. That shit fire. Yo, this shit right here, this is Durban Poison. This shit is fire, bro. You're not
this shit gonna have you on your ass.
Yo, I gotta go. See you. He just disappeared. I'm like, yo, 5 stars.
Oh, wow. Shit. Damn.
Shout out to the Gas Man. Best service in the industry. You know the vibes.
Facts.
Also,
vibes.
shout out to us. Best service in the industry. Another one.
Another
fire episode. You know what I'm saying?
Woo.
Nothing but hits. Nothing but
Yes.
whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
Swish, swish, swish.
Muscle memory at this point, baby.
know what I'm
Muscle
saying?
memory, okay?
You ever see that video of Steph Curry dribbling 2 tennis balls at the same time, blindfolded?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we do every
That's
day.
what it is,
You know
all
what
right?
I'm saying?
And if you ever doubt us, you know what I have to say to you? Trump 2020, motherfucker.
20 motherfucker.
You know the fucking vibe. Yo, it's been your boy Jesus Dice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Tyrion, aka Pocket Face Fat like. Here we go. Some of them I know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo, Mia Novaceta, Iveta, Iquato, in Nueva York. Mikhail going off. The Juve boss, MC,
Yes.
Lico Gunga P, put up for 40 with your shorty, aka don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I got stresses. I don't know you. Oh.
Don't.
Uber said there's no more Uber pool or something.
Uber
so
pool.
why are you
So
in
how
my
you
car?
even doing this?
Like,
Are you here to murder me? Did Jeff Bezos send you?
If you're gonna murder me, make it quick, bro. That's if someone comes to murder you, like make it quick, bro. They'll probably be like, oh, okay, They're either gonna
I
shoot you
guess.
immediately or feel bad. I don't know. During the +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. And no, I am not RSVPing a person for a virtual event in a Zoom. Okay,
No.
that's stupid.
Stop
And this
it.
is stupid, and why are we doing these? I'm sorry.
Don't do this.
This is dumb.
Don't do that.
All right? The original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss on Jesus Racine, the Jamaican Jew, okay?
Yeah.
Because you know, this podcast, we bang with the Jews. You know that.
Gang.
Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chuck Coonery without the Coonery, a.k.a. Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Gail okay.
Papi.
Yeah.
You're looking good on the mound out there, Papi.
Listen.
There's no fans, but you still looking good, Papi.
Boppy, listen, Boppy, you know, bubble, you know, I got the bubble, and then my wife, she see the bubble, and now she want to take my money because the bubble on my dick, and, you know,
Yeah, see,
it's just,
you know, yeah, hey.
Three Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jay Chuckles, yeah, Stanley Cups, Demon Dr. Bond's label, Dilute, one more time, Dilute.
Dilute it one more.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry, and I like some of the actresses that probably have sadly passed on, so I'm just like, yo, I'm honoring you in heaven, Ma, by beating my meat to you, so...
Yo, that's wild when you see a clip and it's like R.I.P. to the GOAT.
Yeah, and it's always the top comment. You're like, whoa. Also, shout out to people who are snarky on porn boards, and people's like, what's her name? And they're like, doesn't matter. You're like, whoa. People are like, does she do anything new? Not since 2016, if you know what I mean. And you're like, oh, wow.
LOL.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, chill. You don't have to throw the triple LOL in there.
You ain't got to do all that, bro.
Nah, you're doing the most.
Doing more than the most. Hey, DJ Woolite, aka listen to Watch FM. Tonight we are honored to listen to just one of the you know what, I actually probably did them already, so you know what, he's gonna be 50 Cents with a classic song, I Ain't Got No Boss.
Yeah.
You crazy nigga, I'm from 134th Street. I ain't got no motherfucking boss.
Motherfucker.
I love it. I love that energy.
I forgot what is a random mixtape song, but he gets.
I was looking for when he's talking about Jimmy IV. Fuck Jimmy IV. I got no motherfucking like that.
And then the other one where he's like, man, what the fuck, man? You dirty motherfucker, man. Get a big, get on the corner, you fucking dirtbag. Like I was just like, damn, it's so disrespectful. I was like, yo,
that was when he was in
outros?
his peak disrespect, right?
Oh, oof.
Oh man, like he was. And I think what's his name was, wasn't Yayo on that song as well?
Yep.
Yayo. Bow, bow, bow.
Y'all really disrespecting niggas. Yeah.
It was an amazing song, and you know what? I would not be DJ Woolite if I did not honor. Oh wow, damn fam. Yo, YouTube was like, yo, my nigga, I'm about to show a minute commercial. Like,
yo, it's your video will play after ad.
Yo, video.
Like,
They was like, yo, we gonna sit down and talk. Right? You want you just want to use me? You want to pick up and use me like I'm a gun?
Like I'm a gun.
Motherfucking gun.
Wow. Gun.
How much better is that song if Nas never goes, I'm a gun?
It's 100%.
If Nas never said he was a gun, right now on Twitter to this day there would be people arguing whether he was rapping from the viewpoint of a gun or not.
Exactly.
And some kid who just discovered hip hop last year would be like, he's rapping from the point of a Jordan. And you'd be like, oh yeah. Wow.
He's, you know, and then every aspect of Twitter would jump on it. The academia Twitter would be like, he's rapping about patriarchy and like how how people use it as a weapon. He's
rapping about how capitalism forces people to choose passports or Jordans. And you're like, oh, okay, all right.
Wow, okay.
All right, okay.
That's actually not.
That's a hot take. Here's another hot take.
He's actually rapping about a guy.
You know, I'm never gonna change, you know.
Oh, man.
Right?
Hey, man.
I'm fucked up, man. Look at you, you little dirty ass nigga, you ain't shit. Glad you here though, you just in time to get the grits. Run to the store, get some quick oats and some OE. Tell Habibi it's for me, he'll let you on, he know me. That's how I used to talk.
Please
to
stand for the national anthem.
That's why I give him my ass to kiss blowing up. Took my biggest loss at 8, you know when mommy died. I didn't know what was going on, I ain't even fucking cry. Me and True selling blow, them Bondavilles turn to BM. Some niggas want to be Mike, but me I want to be him. 4-finger ring, robe chain and medallion. Red bone bitch with an ass like a stallion. It's a dream, it's all a dream.
Oh, gotta stop that. Get the podcast pulled down, but you know that. Listen,
Woo!
fam, I used to
That
listen.
old 50 energy? Oh my god.
Bro, how many times did you listen to that while you were walking into work? Just setting your mood for the whole day.
Like, yo,
Fuck that.
I walk in there snuffing kids and shit. I walk in before I punch on my time card, just mush like 8 kids. Like, hey, motherfucker.
That's the song you hear anytime your boss talks to you funny. You be like, yo, fuck Jimmy Iovine. And then you a real one if you repeat it, or when you listen to the song, you replace Jimmy Iovine with the name of your current boss. Hey, yo, I got no fucking boss. All right,
I'm like, man, niggas talking about Miss Jones, my motherfucking boss, man. Motherfucker, I'm fucking East Street, my dude. Man, fuck Miss Jones.
Exactly. Love that energy. Love that energy. Yo, the Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Marino you can't contain him, Demon Meme or the Jaw, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budquist, Nelson Bang Della, Bang Bang, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the human world is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decade, Ricky Tiki Scrobby, Greg Popovich. Greg Popovich. Also, did you see who the Knicks are thinking about interviewing to be the new coach?
Is it Jason Kidd? I've been reading Posting and Toasting every single fucking day, and they just keep adding people to the list. I hope it's not Mark Jackson.
It starts with an M, and you probably have some tweets about him because he was the coach not too long ago.
Mike Woodson?
Yeah.
Oh shit! I wouldn't even be mad at that.
Okay.
If you think about it,
let's discuss this because I went back to my tweets, and at a certain point in time, a lot of us Knicks fans did not like Mike Woodson.
Yeah, no, but in like again, hindsight is 20/20,
right?
And he was like the most successful coach at like.
He was
the last like 30 years.
But remember what he.
But we're talking about the Knicks, so also we gotta temper that.
I remember because people were just like, "Yo, that was a team with J.R. Smith and Mike Novak, and like Bill Novak and all that stuff."
And Melo, Mari.
At the same time, remember that was the same coach who made Nate Robinson not play for just 30 games for no fucking reason.
For no reason.
And then every time, excuse me, no matter what was going on, his final play was always what? ISO Melo. Which
every time.
I mean, listen,
yo,
I always want to see ISO Melo, but like,
I love me some ISO Melo.
But I'm
like, yo, can we try to like maybe run a play?
Nah.
I remember
there's 24 seconds on the clock, so just dribble for 23 and then pass it Melo. You're like,
pass it Melo for a 48-foot three, 6 jab steps on a 48-foot three.
Jab.
Remember that clip where it was just like where the coach is drawing up? I think it was D'Antoni at the time. And he's drawing up a play, and Melo's just like, man, just give me the fucking ball.
Yep. That was. Oh my god! Every Knicks game was like, oh wow, the Knicks are down by 7, so they're gonna foul, and then they did a free throw. Then it was like the Knicks, and it was like ISO Melo, and it's like, it was like, oh, Melo's shot is short. Oh, hate to see it.
Yo, man. I love Melo so much, dog. He endured so much.
He did.
Yo, I'm people always disrespect Melo and be like, yo, he's not top 5, he's not top 10, he's not top 20.
He's top 5 to me.
He's top 5 to me. That's right. He's top 5 to us. You know why? Because he took on the challenge that other cowards did not. He came to New York and he put New York on his back.
Melo is the Dr. Fauci to the Knicks being coronavirus. Okay,
that's right.
He tried.
You know what I'm saying?
He tried.
He tried his best.
He tried his best.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
He tried to. He's like, yo, just don't touch your face.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Franchise.
And we were like, that's too much work. I like touching my face. Oh, it's sad. It's sad. Mahatma says to Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got a cucumber. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. Yo, shout out to Juice Press, that blue refresh drink. Fire. I am the art, damn it. The
send my man a crate. Stop playing.
I got my subscription. Bro. They got me.
Send a pallet.
I don't got enough space. Also, juice press stuff goes bad fast. Not goes bad fast because it's so natural. Like
there's no preservatives.
Yeah,
and shit.
So you gotta. So niggas, like on that first day, I've been drinking mad smoothies and on that toilet, like sounding like Usher, like. They call me UH. That's what do you want to go on? Now, do you want to go to me? Oh man, I am the art. Damn it, Dundada Ganoush. No more couple news. The Prince of Peckham. The Fast Nova Cash Nova. We made cents, 5 cents, $10. Forget the small change. Give me big money. The only anthem I select is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left. Cause why? Man's is marved.
Don't cheese me, bro.
Is marved. Have I cheesed?
They don't know you're a guy. Guys don't know you're a guy in these streets.
Have they cheesed me, bro? Have they cheesed me, or have I?
They don't know
cheesed
you're a
myself?
road man.
You know? Are you?
Man's on road.
I gotta go.
Don't get him vexed.
I don't have time for this. I gotta go pick up Adonis. All right. The five. What do you might say? Oh, okay. Trolls do the holy cow. You know what I'm saying? At the money store, Mrs. Alphonse, all I do is count checks and jerk off.
That's right.
I got OJ. I got purple stuff and soda. But in the behind, who am I truly? Who is the real me? If you prick me, do I not bleed? If you ask me for my beliefs, do not I express them? If you ask me for my faith, my religion, my love, do I not encompass all of these and tell you, it's me, Sunny D. Ha ha! Hey, listen. Hey, put me inside your kids' food. You know what I'm saying? Just 60% of their high fructose syrup. Ha ha ha! Hey, yo,
hey guys, this is just Tang with corn syrup.
There you go. Hi, my name is Desus N.I.T.C. I'm with the kid Mero from the Bodega Boys. Are you going through a divorce? Did you realize recently that you are old as shit and you're no longer attracted to women? Do you have a lot of money and you think that doesn't matter? And that's why women should still want to suck your dick? Welcome to David Yurman. We make expensive jewelry that's made from like branches and reclaimed rosewoods and water. It doesn't seem like it's pretty, but it's expensive. And that's what you want these hoes to know.
That's right.
Remember, when you're buying your jewelry for your midlife crisis, be sure to pick up some David Yurman.
You know what I'm saying?
We never get
it's
that
about the
David
craftsmanship.
We're never getting that David Yurman sponsorship.
Fam, we are nowhere near white enough to get any. Fam, we could bleach for 20 years straight and get nose jobs.
Yeah.
And we could get total body reconstruction and turn into fucking shit, Catherine Zeta-Jones, and we wouldn't get a fucking.
At this point, I don't even think we can log
David
on to
Yurman.
the David Yurman website. Like, it's gonna be like, oh, you're blocked. I'm like, I have my
Your
ad
IP
blocker off.
address has been blocked.
They're like, oh no, you're blocked for another reason. I think you understand. I'm like, oh shit. I get it. Yo,
motherfucker.
Yo, these are expensive. These are red, but these are bloody shoes. Smoking no. Yo, shout out to Cardi B on the birthday of your daughter. She's cute, very cute little black Dominican
little culture.
BX girl. You know what I'm saying? You're. Smoking no.
Shout out to Offset out there, fucking cutting a rug too.
You know what I'm saying?
Goddamn.
He said cutting a rug. That's wholesome. I can't block that. Like if I was a hood dude on the corner, I'd be like, my man Mero getting his life together. Listen to him. He said cut a rug.
This nigga said cut a rug.
He said cut a rug. You just come down to the basement. You kids cutting a rug? Huh? Y'all out here skylarking?
Huh? I heard a baby playing.
Yo,
I got something to say yo, listen, I love the baby, I love your music, but my kids listen to you, and you have a lot of explicit lyrics in your shit, but the covers of all your stuff is very like baby oriented. Like he has like the Boss Baby mixtape, and then my kids is like, oh shit, it's Boss Baby like soundtrack, but like rap. Like
it's different. It's different. Like
just running around talking about, I'm gonna kill this motherfucker. I'm gonna shoot this motherfucker. I'm like, yo,
it's a baby
please don't
with
say
a
that in
gat.
school.
It's a baby with a burner. Yo, Swakeem Noah, Andrew Coonana, aka Junior, and he got Junior. Sit down behind me, Charger.
No wireless.
Free. Talk about gossip. It's Sayasa. Shout out to 11791. Yo, respect of God. Judd Apatow out there. He runs Sayasa. You know the fucking vibes. All right. You know what
I'm saying?
Yo, if you give my man any trouble out there, yo, we gonna beat the shit out of you in Huntington Station. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? We keep it
Gonna
running.
send MS-13 after that ass.
Okay, you know what I'm saying? You know who runs fucking Babylon. Judd Apatow was like, I don't still live in Sayasa.
I don't. Guys, I'm rich now.
I'm rich.
I moved out.
I have an amazing house in LA.
Yeah. Guys, I bought the Hamptons. Guys,
he's like, I haven't been to Sayasa since 1996. I'm like, oh shit. All right, well, that's fair.
Okay, never mind.
AKA Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me, and don't touch that golden ticket, because you know what? He'll cut the fuck out of you. Hey, your man Dead Eye Jesus, morning sheriff. Be ashamed if Jesus. Damn, Corona really hit you guys hard. I feel bad shoplifting. So you guys got like GoFundMe. Donation. Psych, stealing this gum. I'm out of here. Peace.
Peace.
Mr. Not shopping at Street Easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me, because they got virtual tours, and you know what? The world's ending. Now is not a good time to move. The black Asiatic who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesmerita with a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor. AKA the sheet mask killer. No one will be iller. The black leg Morris, support Morris. Young KPI. it's your personal Desus. AKA your problematic bae. It's not your family if you passive aggressively slam the door every time they ask you for love. Anyway, coming up next, we got the Dundana Ganoush, Mr. Kid Mero.
Yeah. It's your motherfucking boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Durag Flap, aka Donovan McDab. You know what I'm saying? Aka the Curve. Gotti, don't jump in my DMs, bitch. I will embarrass you. Aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt. Load to jump the curb. Hit your dog. Keep it moving. Ask me fucking fuck. I do not. He was not wearing a mask. He was putting us all in danger.
That
you know
dog. That was a police dog. Why do you hate cops?
Even better.
Oh!
AKA. I knew it was a German Shepherd. They don't bark, they just say the N-word. Nigger. I'm like, hey, whoa.
I was like,
What'd you say to me?
I was like, why do you know a slur word for black people? You're German. He's like, hey, I watch a lot of Viceland.
Hey, watch some Viceland and
watch Desus and Mero.
Show.
A good show. They no longer show. I'm like, we're on Showtime. Oh my god.
Yeah, we elevated,
bro. I swear to you, when I was in Amsterdam, with Tommy and all them, the dispensary we went in. We're sitting there and it's just on Viceland constantly. It's just locked on Viceland. It's never on any other channel. So the whole time when I'm buying weed, I'm like, hi, hey, how's it going, guys?
Yo, hey, guys.
And they're like,
you just hold the rainbow over your head like, yo.
They're like, do I know you? I was like, yeah, I'm just a nigga buying weed from, because I'm American. So continue.
Yo, you know what the worst shit is though? Like when somebody like kind of knows who you are, and then they're like. Or like somebody knows who you are and they're trying to explain to their peoples who you are and shit, and you're like, I do this thing where I pull out the Instagram and I just go to the show account. And I'm like, this is it.
No, I've had some people be like, where I know you from? I was like, from wherever you want to, nigga, and I just walk away like, fam, I can't be your critical source. Like you need to like have some references on deck. You look familiar. I'm like, I'm not. I'm not.
To check the original documents.
Exactly.
AKA, I know fucking baby, I'm fucking man.
Fucking man.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, you don't need to check the guest list because motherfuckers ain't going nowhere. So there are no guest lists. You know what I'm saying?
There are no guest lists, but Mero, could you please use a social hashtag, hashtag where the wild winds are? We sent you a honey badger and 3 pieces of cheese, so you know.
Oh, is that what that was?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I just gave Heather the cheese. I can't eat it. Okay. So I'm not gonna hashtag this at all. This is all going in the garbage.
Why would you ask for cheese then?
Because I just like fancy shit to re-give to the neighbors. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's my whole.
Listen,
that's why I just say yes to everything.
Talk the truth, my brother. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Okay.
My dad has a bottle of Crown Royal right now that says "The Kid Mero" in embroidery. It's on the sack.
That's the 5th rule. If you giving out cheese, niggas is taking cheese. That's the rules.
That's it.
That's the rules. All right.
But they can boys commandments.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Instead of
you know what I'm saying?
Yo, instead of DITC, if we got N.I.T.C, niggas is taking cheese.
Niggas taking cheese.
Yo, I'm the Lord Finesse taking cheese. Who are you?
Yo, word up. Yo, motherfuckers know who's the best. If it ain't Fat Joe, then it must be Jesus Nice.
Yo, show biz. Show him what it is.
Yo, AKA fucking take it backwards, smoke a 3-gram blood, hit you with this 9-9, nigga, pow. You know what I'm saying? Get to the money in the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? AKA, yo, listen, man. I ain't even test my kids for COVID, yo. You know what I'm saying? Because if you get COVID from that, you consider it a blessing. Or maybe not. You know what I'm saying? Maybe, I don't know. Let's workshop that one. But you know what? I'm still the motherfucking the dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Smack Me Umbo. AKA the Yayo Manadana. AKA Dick in your bed Mutombo. I come in, you know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Actually, it does not. I refrain from saying that. It belongs to you, my queen. And access to it is determined solely by you and your agency. Thank you.
Ben Smack, how's the bubble? How you dealing with the bubble?
Oh, man, this food is trash. These niggas over here, they're trying to make me eat watermelon. That's racist, man. They sent me 4 packages of watermelon. That is racist as fuck. I'm not playing. Fuck out of here. AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not even returning it because it's a Honda Fit. Ha ha!
Hate to see it.
Stupid. Ha! AKA the original Dun Dada Diaper Daddy. You know what I'm saying? AKA I'm gonna tell you my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of Genius Bar when they come up here and ask for quick selfies and ask me how kids in the kids are. You like your little Mero's iMac job, huh? Yeah? Yeah? You want to get sent to Principal Drusky's office? You better start working, motherfucker.
I mean, I just work here part-time. You're asking a lot from me. Like, this is not even, like, my main life thing. This is just something
Wow. You know what? Just quiet your circuits and put the motherfucking no-tie shoelaces that I will never use in the cart right now. Stop playing with me.
Just a question. My cousin works at Genius Bar, and you dropped off a MacBook last week, and he wanted to know like all the dick pic photos that you had stored on the hard drive.
Those are mine.
Yeah,
those
like, you want them back or like?
Yeah, no, you can hand them out. You could use them as like art.
Okay, thank you. Just wanted to know.
Yeah. There's a lot of variety in there. There's like half mask.
Yeah,
it's like ashy.
I mean, I'm not.
Like
listen, I don't judge, but I mean. I looked through them, and I just want to say, when you were going through your blue period, that was probably some of your best work. The shadows on your foreskin. It was amazing. It was like very Renaissance. I felt an energy in the photos.
You know what it was?
You kind of dropped off after you stopped using a BlackBerry, but you're back on it now.
You know what it was? It was really just about the ashiness of the foreskin.
Yeah.
Like when you pull the I call it a halo.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? When your foreskin is ashy and you pull it halfway down and you got that circle of ash around the tip, it's like a halo. You know what I'm saying?
The circle of ash. Cause the ash is dicky. It's just a U.S. Navy SEAL choir, like, let's get We have to write a play. I don't know what the play is about, but we have to write a play where one of the songs is Ashy Dicks. So Lin-Man will get on it.
Yo, Lin, holla. A.K.A. Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. Let me black out. Yo, I'll eat your titties butt on stage. It's safe now. De Blasio said, yo, stop playing with me. Fuck a phase. A.K.A. Light No Dutchie. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I told y'all motherfuckers that we was in a drought, so you need to fucking bounce. You know what I'm saying? Because we spoke of personals now. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Tom Brady, your girl got my balls more deflated than the Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Field Ass Tyson, I'm going to explore your cosmos mind. You know what I'm saying? But consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do. We the consent boys. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap out on live, been social distancing before Corona. You know what I'm saying? Friano Messi, MVP of Gelato. A.K.A. Zano Benfield. Now you got to get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Joe Hookah. I dare you.
To what?
To smoke with me.
And your location, please drop a pin.
At Mama Sushi. When it reopens in 2014. Oh shit, they already open? Oh shit.
Nah, you know what it is? It's Uptown. So basically, if you just order from Mama Sushi, we can just sit outside. I got hookah. Yeah. I got hookah in the back of my car. I got folding chairs. So let's go. Let's go.
Oh shit, say less.
Listen. I got rid of my spare tire and I got extra choppies in the bottom of my car. So we are good to go and we'll make this shit happen. You know, let's go. Let's
fucking go. Lit. A.K.A. Ben Boston.
Thump thump.
My hands are gifted. Have you ever in your life constructed a teenage sternum out of public school sparks? You haven't, and your faith could never. Candy, get the strap. Hold it down. You know what I'm saying? Open your medicine and cabinet because you know who the fuck it is. It's the Sandman. It's gonna be A.K.A. Rico Sabroso. A.K.A. Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. My shit ain't stank. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Nino Brown. Shut the Carter down. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. live harassing patrons eating al fresco. It's Streamer Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your teeth is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Please stay 6 feet. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Mate, every time we come to this portion of the podcast outro, it behooves me to tell you that there's only 2 rock stars left in this world, mate, the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Dreamer with $1 appearing inside my shorts. You know what I'm saying? And I don't care if it's warm, I'm gonna drink it regardless. You know what I'm saying?
Right. John
You know what I'm saying?
Oliver.
Yeah.
Come out and play. He's like, I don't listen to the podcast. I don't hear any of that.
bloody hell, mate. AKA, I met my princess, I'm never gonna fail, you know what I'm saying? AKA, playing NBA 2K in the bubble, it's is he even in there? I don't know, but it's Barmelo's Anthony!
For 3!
Bang!
Melo is not at the bubble, I don't think because he's for the NBA, but he somehow got in. He's somehow there.
Yeah, he's in there. He's gonna fake a jump shot and then go back and sit back down in the crowd.
Listen, that might be one of Melo's greatest moments ever. Like,
he's like, psych, y'all niggas thought.
Yeah. Oh, we miss you, Melo.
Melo, come back, yo. Stay mellow. You know what I'm saying? Yo, if you see me in Target lighting the shit on fire, you know what I'm saying? Because the fucking cops is at it again, approach me like a motherfucking Earthside mammal. I got a Molotov, and Mero the Fourth got a mean arm, dog. He could throw a brick very far, you know what I'm saying, and shatter your windshield. AKA Tom Petty and the Ball Breakers, you know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, whoa, it's Benzo the Clown. Fire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up, even though it's a Zoom party, I'm gonna show up after it's done. And it's pretty much an empty room, I guess. Oh no, there's still 2 kids in here. Mr. Fun keep them busy while I load the van up.
Hi kids. Listen, I want you to go to your Zoom settings now in the back, go in advance, and there's like a panel and it says block your parents from seeing how your best friend does. And
hey, did you see that? Mr.
Gotta go. Bye.
Get in the van. Let's go. Come on, man.
And you guys leave Wayfair alone.
Yo, it's so fake. Leading to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off synthetic motor oil, store brand shit, like the shit that you get at the fucking Jiffy Lube.
This nigga drinking Pathmark.
Oh shit, and Fago. My god damn, wow. Okay, now it's the time to turn on your SAP button and prepare for some español. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que llegó el último FIFA, coño, más loco todo. El último capítulo. Tú no te pareces a mí, aunque fuera mellizo. Tú no me tires puño, coño, que tú no eres erizo. Huevo. Shout out Casa, Showtime, shout out Cash Shop, shout out Hasan Sene que pone la fucking nota, shout out Desus, bueno las notas jamaquinas, shout out Víctor Mate, el papi de la Lady, 24 quilates de coco en esa melena bella. Shout out Nenas de la Bodega, Dai la más dura, la planta la insuperable. Shout out Biggie la más loca, todo piecito de miel. Levántate. Shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de Defensa activo con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto. Y llegó, güey, mi hermano Friki, 12 años por no ser boca floja. Yo no cobro con palomo. Que descanse en paz, mi hermanito Sexor. Y no sé qué de la casa, lávate la fucking mano asqueroso. Este presidente no sabe ni mal toto. No le hagan caso. ¿Ok?
Ok.
Número 1 show en Late Night se llama Desus and Mero. En Showtime.
You know it.
Domingo, Sunday, en jueves, Thursday, 11 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you very much. This has been episode 210.
You know the vibes.
You fucking cowards, arrest the murderers of Breonna Taylor immediately.
You know the fucking vibes,
we will not stop. You know the vibes.
You know the vibes. Nothing stops. No, episode 2010, most illustrious podcast in the world.
That's
Remember,
right.
for your consideration, Desus Mero up for a possible nomination. And, you know, we work hard.
You know what I'm saying?
Like the old Negro spiritual says, they work hard for the money.
Money. So hard for it, honey. You know what I'm saying?
They work
we some hardware.
for their money because they want brand new Ferraris. Yo, it's been episode 2010.
Yeah.
We out this bitch. Shout out to Cash Out, shout out to Showtime, shout out to Brendan, shout out to David, shout out to Victor. The brand is strong, the brand is unstoppable, the brand is unfloppable. And listen, I'm getting rid of some sneakers because I'm making space for my new statue I'm getting in a couple of months. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge, you know what I'm talking about. We out.
Yeah, holla.
Yeah, I'm not.